的，因为我每次在 YouTube 啊看到你们在做交易的时候呢，我看到那个图表很多线啊，很多那些什么所谓的蜡烛啊，跑上跑下啊，这样我看的有一点乱了，所以我不知道说应该要怎么去看它，那么我才会做得好。而且我在这个外汇市场里面已经看了蛮长的一段时间，不过呢，就是一直没有办法参透它里面的那个内容，它的精髓，所以我一直在想说，想要试试看，你知道吗？但是呢，我又在看的时候呢，我又用了这个模拟账户去做，就 OK。可是呢，我用实盘去做的时候又不 OK 哦。其实我真的不知道应该怎么做好。希望老师呢，你今天能为我解答一下好不好？这些都是我们这些小白的一个很大的问题呀。OK， OK， 好，你今天所问的这个问题哈，OK， 我们这么说吧。其实一般呢，你在看那个图表的时候呢，还没进入学习啊，去看的时候，当然什么都不会，对不对？老实说，就很像当年我学开车的时候啊。手挡啊，轮盘啊，我真的是不懂得怎么去配合起来，你知道吗？那个左脚右脚啊，你知道吗 ？OK，在外汇学习的过程里面呢，我们这些课程啊，就是会有教你啊怎么去看。那么呢，你去看这些图表，怎么去把它分出来 ？OK， 我们把整个课程呢都分了很多个阶段，就是把每一个阶段呢。简单化的去理解，这样的话呢，你做起来的时候，其实你真的是容易很多。因为我们这样看的话呢，其实啊，在这个市场里面呢，很多人都是会交易的策略，可是呢，很多时候呢，他们都不知道说什么时候应该用，在什么阶段要用哪一个策略。所以呢，在外汇交易里面呢，我的课程呢里面呢，就是这样的去帮你们小白们呢。从最基本啊，点数计算啊，看图表啊，那么去理解整个外汇市场的交易的策略。那么它的策略，对，策略是策略，那么基本是基本嘛，对不对？那么呢，基础我们一定要会，那么呢，策略我们也要会。懂得策略不代表说你就会交易，可是你一定要懂得怎么运用那个策略。所以在什么阶段运用那个策略，也是一个很重要的一点。所以在这样一个方式里面呢，我们这一看的话就知道说，我们在做这样的一个交易的方式来说，我们就懂得说它是怎么样去运作。策略我懂了，不过呢，在什么时候用也是一个很重要的一点。所以呢，就是在这个课程里面呢，我们就会教你怎么去运用这个策略。好了，那么我有一个汇通汇聊的一个群，好不好？那个汇通汇聊的群里面呢。大家都可以加入，因为这个加入进来的话呢，我就可以教你们怎么去看那个策略，同时啊，那么知道说在什么时候要用那个策略，那么的话呢，你交易起来的时候就会很容易。当然，我会把你当成一个幼稚园的小白，好不好？那么呢，就以很基础的方式呢，去教你们，以最简单的方式让你们去理解。好，那么这样的话。你们交易起来的时候啊，就比较容易了。所以现在的话呢，其实可以加入这个群 ，OK？ 那么呢，我呢在这个群里面的话呢，是在里面教你们怎么去带着你们怎么去看着你们怎么去把这个外汇交易做好来啊，这样的话就比较容易，对不对 ？OK？ 所以呢，要加入这个群的话呢，这非常简单的 ，OK， 就只需要联系我们的负责人，那么呢，我们的负责人就会帮你处理所有的这个入群的这些 procedure，OK， 好不好 ？OK， 那么在外汇交易里面呢，心态也是一个很重要的东西。那么呢，在我们的这个社区里面啊。我们也是会有很多的这个分享给大家，让大家呢都有这个机会啊，去在这个学习的过程里面也懂得什么是心态，好不好 ？OK 这样呀，就是很简单的这样的去理解哈。所以加入这个群啊，然后呢，在这群里面我们来教你 ，OK， 好不好？好的，老师，谢谢你，老师，非常感谢你的分享啊。这样的话，我要赶紧去。报名啊！我要去赶紧报名加入这个群里面， 你刚才说的群是汇通汇聊群吧 ？OK， 那么我就赶紧去这个注册一下，好不好？谢谢老师，谢谢你老师，非常感谢你老师。
Guys, this is everyday from welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back here, and we are into our Forex trading plan. Thank you so much. Yes, and hopefully things are going good. Okay, yeah. Morning to you. Yeah, much guys. Yes. All right. So yep. And now today is 2023, 19th of January, and today will be my last day of live streaming for this week. I will be back on the 25th of January. During this period of time, I'm going to celebrate the Lunar Chinese New Year. Okay, so yep, right. So yes, and well, we are coming back again, right? So during that period of time, guys, do remember to trade with care. All right. Okay, I will be back with all of you on the 25th of January. Thank you so much, guys. Well, and let's come back into my MT4. Okay. Well, once again, I'm with my pound dollar. Yes, pound dollar. Yesterday in my midnight, it swing down for, well, this swing has come in 110 pips. I think are we coming into selling for today? Although yeah, today is looks like not really. Okay, and we have tested the resistance, okay, to form up one double top here. So I guess there's a good time for us to go for selling, right? Yes, hi, good morning, guys. Thank you so much for coming in. Bradley, JJ, nice to see you. Alan, nice to see you here. Well, thank you so much, guys. Well, and also, today, yeah, and looking out for the pound dollar in this case here, although I have not picked out the pound dollar, right? So let's see if the pound dollar we have a chance there. Dollar yen, let's take a look, recap about dollar yen, right? Let's have a little recap on the dollar yen. Well, dollar yen yesterday, well, we picked this targeted area over here, right? If you still remember, we have successfully completed the whole round. So I hope guys, you have taken some profits over here for the dollar yen. Well, dollar yen, I think that's pretty good to us. Okay, one swing up in the morning, and after that it came back. Okay, in the night. Okay, for me in the night. All right, so finally it touches my target here and it bounced back. So right now, will it actually come back here into this area once again? Later on, we'll take a look and discuss together. All right. So next to go, let's recap on the pound yen. Pound yen. Well, pound yen, same thing. Pound yen over here. Yeah, and yesterday we were looking at this area here, right? Okay. So same thing. We wanted it to actually break this area, come into this area here. Yep, and now it actually came into the area and nicely recovered everything. We have recovered everything here, so it has been reset to 0. We will reset the way we are going to trade once again. Okay, so yeah, and of course, okay, so we have completed the magnet over here. Like I said yesterday, we have a magnet over here, and now we have completed the whole round. So I hope yesterday after my streaming, after my streaming was here, then it bounced down for the low impact news, and it went back, created one trigger about 50 pips exactly. Okay, we have covered this, and after that, another round here, another round here, another round here, and more here. Okay, so well, it has completed. Okay, everything, the plan goes well. Okay, that's good. I'm happy to see that the plan goes well. All right. Yeah, although I didn't really take a lot of pips from this round, okay, but I'm very happy to see that, okay, my plan is good, you know, okay, it went according to my plan, and I'm very happy to see that. Okay, because that shows the plan works, and we can apply the plan in the near future in the next trading session. All right. Hi, good morning, Ian. Nice to see you here. Right. I have a, you know what? I have a, should I say, should I say, I think, yeah, I have a nice, very cute boy cousin son. Yeah, his name is Ian as well. Very cute, very cute. I believe you are very cute out there as well. Okay, so hi MK. Good morning, everyone. Yeah, so we have just recap on the pound yen and also dollar yen, and just now looking at pound dollar. Well, pound dollar, yeah, and it seems like a retracing downwards, but again is that we are still in the bull. We are still in the bull, all right. So although we are still in the bull, okay, and I'm going to remove this because this is breakthrough, bounce up. Okay, so like Riano, yes, Riano was saying that this area here was a wipe-off. So yes, indeed, wipe-off really pushed it up very nicely yesterday. Then after the day before, it started to have this area here, and after that, it wipe-off, showing the wipe-off, and it actually bounced up. So again, coming in, hi 168. So coming in over here into pound dollar. Well, it looks like sorry. Something is blocking me. Okay. Yep. Let me adjust a little bit. Yep. All right. Okay. My GoPro is blocking me. Okay. Yep. All right. Okay. So yep. And taking a look at this. All right. Taking a look at this right now. Okay. We have met up with this resistance over here nicely. Touches, tested, and rejected down. Okay, now, are we going for the selling on the pound dollar today? Right, perhaps there may be a chance, perhaps. Okay, however, we are still in the structure of buying, so there may be a retesting of this, then probably we may go further up to test further up on that. Well, I think, yes, Riano, pound dollar heard you saying that it will go into 1:1. That's why it bounced back. that's the main strategy that I'm studying. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Last year we were talking about 1:1, but it went to 103, and then after that it bounced back. Yeah, over here, right? Okay. So somewhere here, yeah, 103. So after it bounced back. So yep, and hi Manwai, nice to see you here. Well, okay, so and over here, okay, we are looks like we are testing on this today. We are looking out for support before it goes further up. So I think it's quite obvious that which support that we are looking out for. Okay, I think over into this area. I guess there's no change. All right, this is the targeted area since this area has bounced back where I actually look out for. And well, so probably, yeah, and I didn't draw it clearly. So let me clearly, okay. So by looking into this, we still have about 44 pips before it reach this area. Then this area may actually comes into an area that will start to have some turbulence. Okay, not easy to break down, and probably will still continue the buy. Okay, so. Well, let's see, because right now I don't see any resistance as well. So tentatively, just be patient. Okay. They are building the downward structure. Okay, so we may still have a chance. That's why I'm actually looking at it right now. All right. So yeah, we can put this pound dollar into a look later on. Okay, as I have picked up in my in my selling list. All right. Okay, so Aussie yen, well, Aussie kiwi, euro yen, euro kiwi, pound cat, pound yen, pound dollar, dollar franc, and dollar yen. Right. So later on, yeah, we can take a look one by one and see how it goes. If you have any one of them, yep, then let me know. All right. Okay, so over at this point here, all right, so seems like currently for the pound dollar, they are hovering around this area. So is this going to be another distribution area or accumulation area? Well, I'm still waiting for the signal, right? So at the moment, okay, so let's see will come into play. Okay, so let me check. Okay. Here. Hi, Manisa. Nice to see you here. My Facebook. Would you like to come over to my YouTube? All right, thank you so much. Okay, and thank you, Roberto. Would you like to come over to my YouTube channel as well? Thank you so much. Right. Okay, so if you don't mind to help me share in your Facebook, all right, on my videos to have more members to join in into this community. Okay, guys. Yep, and looking at this point here, right? Today, I think here the pound seems like well, we are below the pivot point here, and have a very good space to go for some selling as well. So probably, yeah, by default, I will stay in the pound dollar. Doesn't mean that I love pound dollar, okay? Because I'm waiting for all of you to tell me what are the currency pairs that you wish to focus. Then later on, we will take a look together as well, all right? So, yeah, I'm going to put this up and okay, and over here, and we shall see, right? Okay, let me check first. There's one, three. Right. Okay, selling is still ongoing to take the lows there. Okay, so will it actually break this and to create another low? Well, probably then well, with this swing up and come back here, we can see that this whole swing, right? Now we are stuck here at the mid of this area here, right? So looks like it actually breaking through that and going to continue for the selling. Well, continue the selling. All right. Okay, and well, there's a good chance that today, the pound dollar, well, the pound dollar may be one of that we can focus to sell again. Okay, so let's go through. Okay, let's go through. All right, let's go through first. What are we going to see? That pound yen, dollar yen. Well, dollar yen. By looking into dollar yen today, right? Dollar yen, we are testing onto the support right now. Okay, so tentatively, hopefully it will be breaking the support, then continue to sell down. So I think that will take some time. Okay, that will take some time. Okay, so sorry, the support should be here. Well, we are in the middle of nowhere, and looks like we still have plenty of space to go. Right, so resistance. Okay, resistance seems like now. Okay, this is my working line. So leave it here first. Let me put it up. So this one. Well, and tentatively, I would say that if you can see this area here, all right. Let me see. Yeah, we created one. Okay, so hopefully we can have a good swing now, and continue to take the support, so that it will continue to swing to the target area here. Right. So over here, one support. We are on the support right now. Let's wait for it to break this so that we can continue downward trend as well. Right. So for next to go, okay, let's see. We have dollar franc. Okay, dollar franc here. Well, dollar franc, we have hit on the support here. Okay, and now tentatively, currently waiting for the support to be broken, and then we will need to wait for this to come back once again, right? So it hits on the support, right? So right now waiting for the resistance to come in, then there will be a good chance for the selling to continue the downward trend. Okay, so let's wait for a little while because it's still going to test on the resistance. So give a little bit of time, be patient. Well, pound dollar. Yeah, just now we are talking about pound dollar already. So pound dollar, well, it's going to test. It has taken the lows there and still trying to beat the low. Okay. Hey. Yeah. Well, it looks like Piano was saying, there may be some liquidity going to be taken out later on. Okay, so we still have a bit of space here. Okay, and looks like we are left with about 30 pips to go. I think, yeah, about 30 pips to go. So at this point here, they may actually come to a point that well, it should be biting on this area, and probably this is only a pullback, but this pullback can be a very big pullback to look out for support before it continue the buying. Just like over here, okay, when it actually came down this area, okay, on the 16th, then after that it hover on the 17th, it came to look out for the support, then it continued to buy. Well, I think tentatively, all right, so we still have quite a good space down here, all right, so very likely, highly likely that we are still looking out for this area here, right? So we can later on we can stay and see, okay, where it's going. Although we are going against the trend, okay, but because this is actually going to look for support before you actually can go for a buy. So at the moment, we can still, while it's looking for support, we can grab the opportunity. Yeah, okay, that's what I meant. Okay, so that's for pound dollar, and of course come back here for pound yen. Right, pound yen, we have taken out everything, so it reset to 0. So once it's reset to 0, can we actually take a look at where it is going? We are in the bear right now. All right, so today we are actually going on the selling. So selling over at this point here, we are looking out for the resistance up here, and as we can see, okay, let me bring down this. We can see that over at this point here is actually building another lower highs over here to continue the trending. Selling down, okay, so the selling down is still ongoing, and for now, okay, there is a support level. Okay, there is a support level, right? That is the level that we are looking into it. That one level here. There's one level here that we can actually look, right? Then support level is still here. My max is still here. So let's see over area here. Will there be chance come into this area here? One, yep, over here, and one support here. And we can see that easily we still have a good move journey over here at this point here, and this should be quite a good space down there. All right, AUTP 7 pips, congratulations MK, nice, good job. All right, so yeah, and well, let us take a look later on. Okay, so for pound yen, tentatively, okay, let's wait for it. Okay, let's wait for it to come to a point to build a new resistance to continue the downward trend. Okay, so well, for this one we have taken out, so I'm going to take this away so that it's going to confuse everyone. Okay, so let's see. Is there any one here? Actually, the trending market has actually stopped already, so we're looking into the area here, probably not for this area, for the here, right? So let's see if it's actually coming back here first. Okay, yeah, Aussie dollar, let's take a look. Yeah, Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar over here. Right, for our Aussie dollar, looks like, wow, it's a very good selling. Okay, before it hits a support and you manage to capture the TP, that's nice, that's good. Okay, and well, let's see. Nice. Okay, good. Looks good. Okay, looks good. Ah, right. If you have capture, if you enter here, right? Yeah, that's nice. Okay. Okay, this it shows a continuity of the selling from the resistance here. Well, let's manage to capture it, understand the logic of it, and okay, you can capture it. Okay, yeah. In this case, yes, scalping will be good. Yeah, because it's a continuity. Because then we will not know whether it will still continue to go down anywhere. All right, but that's a good catch. Okay, good. All right, good job. Okay, so yep, and well, let's come back here to take a look at Powcat. Okay, Powcat over here. Powcat. Okay, generally we are now looking into a selling soon to look out for support. Powcat now we actually in the bull, but it hits on this. It coming back for a point, coming back to a point whereby it's looking out for support. So while it's looking out for support, we can actually make use of this area, okay, to capture it, okay, to capture some pips that actually can give us some profits along the way when it's actually looking for support. As you can see, the liquidity here is still very good, right? So at this point here, all right, at this point here, okay, so from here, well, wow, that is a very fantastic one, I would say. This chart is fantastic. Okay, so right here, okay, right here. Getting nearer. Getting nearer. Okay. So let's see. Okay, we are now looking into here. Wow. Okay, it's a bit hovering up there. Now it's creating the distribution here. Likely, looks like highly likely to look out for the distribution is there. Okay, so for now, right, for this Powcat, I think we need more observation. Anyway, we are having an anti-trend. If this is a little bit tough to look out for something, since it's going sideways, and then we don't need to pay too much of attention to that for selling. Okay, all right. So yeah, and probably we can move on to check on the Euro Kiwi, right? Euro Kiwi. Yes. Okay. So right now, as we can see, Euro Kiwi are moving up to break the resistance. Well, Euro Kiwi is breaking out the resistance, so probably we don't have to take a look at this anymore, right? So I think it will still continue to move up to take the highs up here. Okay, so let's wait for it. Okay, let's wait for this. Things has changed along the way, even with my planning just now. Okay, with my picks, not planning. Okay, so now, okay, so we gonna skip this. All right, then we shall go into Euro Yen. Okay, Euro Yen. And Euro Yen over here, okay, is interesting because we are actually coming into the bear, right? Then before even the selling down yesterday, okay, so we are back to square one. So we are back to the prevailing trend that if the prevailing trend of selling, it should be coming back for another round of selling. So as I can see over here, right, the selling structure is here, right? So later on, I just want to see if there's a chance that we can take any of the profits from this Euro Yen as well. Okay, so let's take a look if we have a chance there. Right, so let me here. System. Let me see. One, two, four. Okay. Yeah, I think they are going to go. They are going to look for the resistance here. Okay, they are going to look for the resistance. So Yes, maybe we need to wait for a little while. Okay. Yeah. All right. So that's for Euro Yen. Okay. For Aussie dollar, just now we are talking about it just now. Okay. So let's go to Aussie Kiwi. Aussie Kiwi here. Aussie Kiwi. Yes, we are heading downwards today. So we are still in the bear. The bear is still running. So I think that's pretty good. Now we are hitting on the support. So waiting for it to break the support before we can take action. Okay. So let's be patient. Okay. GU. Okay. Let's take a look at GU. Pound dollar. Okay. Pound dollar. Yep. And over here at pound dollar. Right. Over here at pound dollar. Okay. Pound dollar has just taken out this low to create another low here. Then right now, okay, we are also here to take this. We have about 10 pips of space. But actually, if we look carefully, it's actually in the range here, right? Not that good yet because the selling resistance is actually from here. Okay, it's from here. So if you want to capture this pound dollar, all right, yeah, probably a 5 pips will be good. Okay, not too many because I don't see a space there. All right, because tentatively I see London market is not open yet. So the swing, there's a fall just now. Then probably maybe a little bit, you know. Okay, yeah. Dobra jutro, Caro. ECB planning interest hike by 5% multiple times. Official tweet. Wow. Okay. Thank you. All right. Thank you for the information. So, yeah, I think we have. Are we going to be careful? Right. How have you been? Okay. And yeah. Pound dollar, okay. Pound dollar, I think by reading this is the main one, the main resistance that sell down, continuity down again, and now the continuity comes in again. Will it be the continuity? Because over here doesn't seem like it's create a lower low here. So I think probably we need to wait for it a while. Hi, Merry Christmas. Oops, GU can sell. No, tentatively, I don't think so. Okay, I think I will prefer to wait for it to go up first. Okay, to test on one of the resistance first. Tentatively, there isn't any. All right, so I don't see any selling there. Okay, I don't see any selling there. But why don't go first? Don't go first. Okay, yeah, don't go first. Yeah, so let's see and yeah, okay. So I think today is a bit going to be a bit quite flat. Yesterday the action is a lot of action. So yeah, no go, huh? Okay, that's good. All right, and the moment I see Mama, I thought of yesterday. I thought of yesterday. Yeah, when I see 168, I also thought of yesterday. One choose to sleep, one off the PC. Then TP the GJ. Oh. Okay, yep. 开玩笑啊, okay. Aussie yen, yep. We Aussie yen, as of Aussie yen, we looks like we still have a good space to go. All right, good space to go. Okay, then Aussie yen. Yep, let's take a look. Yeah. Right. Your drawing similar to mine. Oh, really? That's good. That means we are using the same style, huh? Yep. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Oh, I think this Aussie yen also become very flat. All the yen become so flat. Yeah. I think so. Okay, that's good. Yeah, share with us more. Merry Christmas, so that I will know more. Then probably we are on the same path. We are on the same page. Okay, so more or less we can understand each other. Okay, yeah. Sorry, when I say we can understand each other, okay, I mean on the forex chart. Okay. Okay. Yeah. All right. Okay. And yeah. Oh, that's why you're always in my channel. I see. Okay. Okay. All right. Yeah. And I see. Okay. And oh, of course, dude. Yes, dude. Yep. And over here, and probably for Aussie yen, we will see that yes and no in a way, all right. So allow it to finish the sideway, break out of the sideway first at this point here, and so that we will able to get a clearer direction in a way, right? Hi Casey, nice to see you here. I hope you got a very, very good profit from the dollar yen. Okay. I hope Kenneth is here as well. Congratulations to Kenneth. I think he grabbed a lot of dollar yen yesterday as well. Yeah. Okay. Yes, and for euro yen, okay, let's know. Today I think it's going to be a bit bad. A bit flat today. Yeah. Oh yeah, right. Let's have a fact then. Let's go for a fact. Yeah. Okay. All right. So yeah, for pound dollar. Yeah. Skimming through the charts this morning. Oh yes. Do you have anything, Casey? You want to share with us while waiting? Now we have nothing. We don't have anything. So let's wait. All right. I'm waiting for M5. I'm waiting for pound dollar M5 to go up, create a pink arrow, a resistance down here. Then after that, I will be looking for the selling down. All right. So right now it's looks like it's I won't say a markdown. I would say it actually comes in. It doesn't say anything here. Yeah, I heard you say AN. Is it AN or say AN? Okay. All right. Over GU. Okay, pound dollar. So over here, I'm waiting for a resistance. Then after this, I heard you say nah. Oh, I see. Yeah, it's choppy right now, but GU looking good. Yeah, GU generally is looking good. Okay, so as of now, okay. Yeah, as of now, let me read. Let me see. Yeah. Okay, let's see. Yep. M15. Okay, yeah, and sorry, I was reading a message from Facebook here. Okay, so okay, yeah, and I would say that that's round. Yeah, it's correct. Sorry, in Mandarin. So I need a little bit of time to finish reading it. Okay, yeah, and well, as for pound dollar right now, okay, pound dollar, I would say that for pound dollar right now, although we are looking out for a selling over here, there's a good chance for the selling. However, the selling has been the selling came yesterday until now. It went a bit sideways, right? Ranging by the side here. Okay, so by looking at this, I think I will still prefer to wait for it to go up more, a little bit more, to actually create a resistance, right? So that later on from the resistance, then after that we will start to see if there's a chance to come down with a selling structure. And from there, then there will be a good time for us to sell. Although there may be a chance for us to sell right now as well, provided it breaks through the support below of the current price right now and retest that area to form another lower resistance to sell. Okay, right. So then there will be a good chance. Okay, provided, yeah, all right, provided it will be good. Asian section was much better today. Yeah, indeed. Okay, I think because of the news, I think. This morning, I think Aussie dollar, yeah, Aussie dollar, yeah. So the Asian section has a good one to trade, but right now, I think they are sleeping soon. Okay. Am I right, Carol? Right, Carol. How are you, Carol? Are you here with us? Yesterday you were not here, right? Okay. Oh, I was wondering where have you been? I think yesterday is a very good market. Carol, not Carol, sorry, Carol. Okay, Carol is from Australia. Okay, so Carol, Carol must be yesterday must have a very great day. Okay, so yep, I hope today although it's a bit slow, but then again it's okay. We will just go with a little bit of patience. Whatever the currency it is right now, I see I see many currency pairs was like it's neither here nor there, no action taken. Okay, then we will also wait with them. Okay, let's not take any action until there is movement. Okay, right. So well, I'll be staying in a pound dollar to observe the movement. Okay, so that it will be imprint into my mind. I will know. Okay, I'm searching for the right case study. Okay, for this case here to see what am I going to do later on. All right, pound yen. Okay, let's take a look. Pound yen. Right, pound yen. Oh, it retraced upwards right now. Okay, it retraced upwards right now to form a resistance here. Okay, to form a resistance over here. So let's see if this pound yen is going to get something. Okay, so pound yen, we still have some good space down there. All right. This pound yen selling here, not really that good yet. Okay, because if I'm going to take a trade down here, right, I only have about 10 to 11 pips. Pound yen recently, the movement for the pound yen is actually quite big, right? Once it moves easily 30-40 pips. Okay, so with these 10 pips is too small. Alright, consider it's very tight over here. And this red candle opening, the move of this red candle is not very fantastic yet as well. And by looking into this area here, okay, looks like we are going for a buy first to look out for a resistance to continue the selling later on. Okay, so yep, and let's see if we can manage it manage to wait until the time when it comes in for the selling, right? Okay, so yes, just hang on. I think that's very important. Just wait for it to come, because tentatively, this area here came in, set up a higher support. Now it's slowly setting up some buying structure. Okay, slowly setting up some buying structure. So even if it's going to come down into this area, all right, area here as a manex over here, that should be a good space down there. All right, that should be a good space down there. Okay, 18 pips space there. All right, so there may be a chance for selling. Okay, but not forgetting we have some support over here. Right, so this area here, the support. So over at this point here. Okay, so please be careful. All right, there may be some chance there. Okay, pound dollar also coming down. Pound dollar. All right, since in that case, okay, I think that will be I will say that consider it good in a way. All right, and we may want to consider it to break the support level. Right, then after that we will try to take this area here. We have 22 pips there. Okay, after it breaks this area, sorry, it should be here. Right, after it breaks this area, then we should have a 23, about 23 there. Okay, so after it breaks this area, retest, then after that we will grab this area here. So if let's say if that is actually able to continue the breaking, okay, then we will have a good chance that the selling may comes in here. Of course, right now by looking into this, right, I will say that we need a lot of patience for this dollar. A lot of patience for this dollar. Just in case, right? Just in case, okay, because right now it seems like they are taking these lows here, and when the London markets open, then it may actually bounce back to create another high. To take out the highs here to create a new high resistance, then the selling will come back again. Okay, so as of now, we are right in the middle of nowhere. That so it's not really, I would say that not very advisable to go for the trade like this. Okay, so over here right now, there's entry for 10 pips here. Okay, but no, not really fantastic. Not very fantastic. Not very fantastic. What should I say? Entry. Okay, not a very fantastic entry there. Okay, so I will prefer not to. Okay, just wait. I will wait for the structure. Can you see any structure right now? I don't see any structure as of now. Okay, I don't see any structure as of now. So for me, I think probably we need more time for that. Okay, we need more time. For now, I don't. Can you see there's selling here or buying here, or selling here? There's no structure. No, there's no structure there. Anyone can share with me if you can see the structure where I cannot see. All right, do help me out. Help! Right. You know, when I was in the army, right, my officer always do this to me. When I say help, you know, they always tell me, "Hey Eric, run to that tree and hold on to the tree and shout, help! The tree is falling! Help! The tree is falling!" I was like, okay. Yeah, all right. Yeah, that's a little punishment. Okay, that was a little punishment. Yeah. Okay, so yes. Yeah, okay. And okay. We shall wait. Okay, let's see. All right, let's see. Okay. Yes, Bradley, you are a soldier? Oh, I'm not a soldier, I'm a trader. No. I mean, in the past, okay, in Singapore, okay, every man have to go through, okay, the army training. Okay, have to go through the army training. All right. So yeah, we have to been through, okay, the 2 years. Okay. Yeah, if Sensei can't see the structure, no one can. Oh, really? Thank you. Wong Hui. Yes. Hi, Wong Hui. Nice to see you here. NS. Yes, NS. Where's NS? Yeah, that's the term. National Service. Correct. Where are you from? How come you know this term? Are you from Singapore? Okay. So, yep. Yeah, and so cool. Yeah, so let's wait for the structure to come in. Right, let's wait for the structure to come in. Yeah, okay. Let's see. Yes. And after this, there's no structure form up, so probably yeah. Whenever we talk about NS, we have a lot of jokes. Whole lot of jokes. I think that happens everywhere in every country, when everyone, yeah. Yes, wasting time in the NS over there. I would say wasting time. Okay. I would say wasting time. All right, really. I appreciate the time during that 2 years plus. Okay, so yeah. So I think I take that time as a man, my lifetime leave. A lifetime leave. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Is there another ACS YouTube channel? We have one ACS Learning Hub. Okay. ACS Learning Hub _ KH. That's the Mandarin. That's the Mandarin channel. All right. KH, are you around? All right. If you're here, can you say a hi to Casey? Yeah. If you search, yeah, you can see two. Yeah, YouTube channel. I don't know if you see more than that. I think the rest I don't know. Who are they? Okay. In the past, they used to have more than 10 ACS Learning Hub YouTube channel. I don't know where they come from. That was many years back. Yeah. So, should I say imposter? I don't know. Yeah. Yeah. Akui? Yes. A Boy to Man. Yes. Correct. Yeah. Yes, that's a very good show. Yeah, that's a very good show. That's actually telling, yes, really, yeah, but some fictional. Okay, maybe, yeah, some of course. I mean, but the whole show is quite good. I also appreciate that show from Jack Neo. I think fantastic. Yeah, I watch many times. Each time when I watch the show, it reminds me of my army time, my national service 2 years time. Plenty of jokes, plenty of like just now Merry Christmas was saying that is wasting time in the NS over there. No, I don't think so. It really mold my mindset here. After my national service, I walk into the society for my first job. Rain or shine, to me is nothing. It made me stronger in terms of my mindset. Even nowadays, there are setbacks. There are people backstabbing me. There are a lot of failures in my plans, in my journey. All these are what army has molded me in my mindset to become very strong. Okay, what I have been through, they have not been through. I am much stronger. I can run 2.4 kilometers in 9 minutes. Okay, so I think if I can do that, I will keep doing it. I was trained that way, and I have I have a few kilos of bag, rifle. I have to go through all the obstacle course, and I can run for about 9 minutes plus. My 2.4 was 8 minutes. Yeah, correct. So in terms of the fitness wise, okay, yes, we are trained that way. But in order to have such a fitness, the mindset here is very important. So important, When I was sleeping in the forest, okay, I was like, when the rain comes, the rain seep into my foxhole, and it actually went up to my kneecap, and I still have to be there, for the whole night. Yeah, so that's why the mindset has become very strong. So that I think, yeah, that place mold my mindset so strong until now. When I travel around in the world, although I am still very strong to see to face a lot of failures, a lot of challenge, but I'm still here. Alright, so for dollar yen, okay, Wasim, hi. Dollar yen, no, the structure is still on the buy side, so I will prefer tentatively the structure is on the selling, but looking in the M5, it is actually going up to look out for a selling. Okay, it's going up to look out for a selling. So look out for a resistance before it start to sell. Okay, so for now, dollar yen index broke below support. Okay, gold is buying. Yep, gold is buying. Yes, correct. So right now, I will say that tentatively is creating one high here, one high here. If you're looking for selling, I will say that probably you may want to hang on for a little while. Okay, yeah, okay. So over at this point here, let's take a look for dollar franc, right? Dollar franc, yes. Okay, enough of my story now. Okay. Yeah, all right. So dollar franc, okay, dollar franc, we are in the selling, so we are looking for a retesting before we can go for a selling. So the selling is actually pretty good for selling, looks like. Okay, generally. Okay, so let's see. Wow, no. Hang on first. But I would say that tentatively, okay, for this dollar franc, we have good space down here. Okay, we have good space down here. If you're looking for selling, you can only do a scalping, but then yeah, I am looking out into this. This is my Manet. Okay. For dollar franc, once it breaks this area here, I will have about 57 pips. Okay, I will have 57 pips to go. Right. So for this area, either you scalp it or you wait for it to break this area, retest, then we will go for a selling for this. Okay. Yeah. Yes. Yeah, I have a lot of story to tell while waiting so that I can shift my FOMO away. If you don't want to listen to my story, please ask me question. Okay. Yeah. All right. So for dollar franc, you can do a scalping of 5 pips before it hits onto 0.91486. Okay. It's trying to take the lows here. Okay. Okay, Akong. Yep. All right. Okay. Yes. So, yeah, Akong 讲股, correct? Akong 讲股. My grandfather tells story. Yeah. No. Usually I don't tell a lot of story in my YouTube channel. Okay. So yeah, in another platform, I will have a lot of story to tell. Yeah, they like to listen to the story. Yeah, we need the story. Yeah. Yeah, you know. Okay, I have a channel for Mandarin. Yeah, I have a channel for the Mandarin. Yeah, unfortunately they are unable to join into this channel because they don't understand English. So I will, yeah, but my style, the live streaming style there is a bit different. So I'm just like a gamer. Okay, so I will just trade and talk to myself, and they will listen. Some of them will reply. Yeah, and then when there's nothing, they will start to say, can you tell us some of your so-called biography, your bios, and yeah, your story, you know, any part of a story. Yeah. Then when I first started off with one story, and after that they loved my story. They always ask me to tell some stories there. Okay, for dollar franc. Okay. Oh, that's quite fun. Yes, indeed, it's quite fun. Yeah. So that channel is a Chinese channel. Yeah. Okay. For me, I speak Mandarin there. Okay. So they also find it very fun because 我的华语是真的是很糟糕的那一种，所以呢，每一次那些词句我用的时候呢，他们都不知道我在说什么。Yeah, they don't understand what I'm saying. Even I speak Mandarin. Okay, very poor vocab, I would say. Yeah. along the way, and as we are traveling, and different country, they have in Asia, they cannot understand they cannot understand English very well, so I have to use very simple English. So sometimes when I come back to Singapore, my friend was telling me, hey, what happened to your English? Your English sounds so weird now, and your Mandarin worse. Are you still a Singaporean? My God, man. All right, so I was like, oh yeah, those that last 2 weeks, yeah, is it last 2 weeks? I think so. Yeah, I went to a Japanese fusion restaurant. Yeah, located in Dorset. I think Singaporean can go. Yeah, all right, nice place. And the people there was like saying, hey, are you from Hong Kong? No. Are you from Taiwan? No. Then you must be Korean. What the hell? Are you pulling my leg? Okay, so I was like, no. Okay. GU? No. Right. No. GU? Okay. Yep, GU. Let's take a look. No. I'm a bit concerned with GU. The reason behind GU may have a chance to come back here to test into this area, right? However, okay, yes, London market has opened. Okay, thank you. Right, so no more story. Let's focus. Well, GU looks good, and good. All right. But GU, you have to pay attention to this area here. Okay, whereby this area, it can go either way, right? You can still go either way. Why? Okay, because of all this movement here, right? So for GU, okay, there isn't any concrete resistance yet, okay, but there may be a swing down to take this support, to create the support, then it will go up to take the highs. At the moment, right now, okay, I will say that I will prefer to wait for it to go up to take the highs. Then later on we will have a trading. Okay, then if you are confident in grabbing these 5 pips down here, yes, I think you can go for pound dollar. Okay, yeah, for pound dollar. Usually why a long phrase then I tell you is because only the first minute of the market opening. I'm trying to delay the time so that you will not have the anxiety. Okay, observe first. I will still prefer to observe first. Okay, even this come down to take this as a support is fine, because it seems like this area here is going to set up the support to go. There's no support, there's no resistance at all. Okay, so I will say that no, there isn't any clear direction for me, a clear structure for me to go in any trades right now. Okay, yeah, oh yeah. Okay, it's only the first 2 minutes. Okay, right, this may be only the market open with a rush of volume in. After that, it may stop halfway and it will still go back to the prevailing plan. Okay, so let's wait and see if this is actually going anywhere. There isn't any concrete resistance right now. There isn't any concrete support as well. So let's wait first. Okay, because as I see here, this is this a resistance? Yes, but weak. Is this a support? Yes, but weak. Okay, so either way, we can get stuck here, especially when we look into sorry, not here. Where is it? Just now. Oh yeah, H4. Sorry. Yeah, especially over here when you see this kind of movement down here. Well, a sudden move up and coming down, then flat. Right. Although yes, it's a downward trend, is flat. Right. Okay, so can go either way. All right, so let's wait. Do you see any structure here? Is it a downward trend? No, it's selling down, but it's not a downward trend yet. Okay, so I'm still waiting. Okay, so I'm waiting for this to come in. All right, so that yeah, today, well, guys who have just joined into my channel, unfortunately, today is a very flat day. Okay, it looks like it's a very flat day. Okay, so not really a very flat day as of now. It is okay, but allow it to create the structure first before we have a clearer picture of what we are going to do. Okay, then so that I think it will be much better. Okay, don't rush into a trade. Okay, don't think that you're wasting your time here. No, we are not, because we are actually training up our patience and also to learn to wait for the structure to form up before we take action. Okay, yeah, that is me. That is me. Right, that's me. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, and over here. Let's wait first. Let's wait first. Okay. Probably we can hang on. Yeah. Okay. Yes, Bradley. I saw your Facebook page. You made 2,000 plus. Oh, that was yesterday. Yeah, I think that was yesterday. Correct. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that was yesterday. Yes. Yesterday. Yeah, yesterday. I think I think some of you may make more than me. Okay, somebody. I think many of you make more than me. Okay. So yeah. And yeah, yesterday. Yeah, yesterday. Okay. Yes, Riano. Yeah, Riano. If I'm looking into this pound dollar, all right. Okay, over here, like Riano was asking. Okay, so the selling over here is that we can actually hold up the spot, which means here. Okay, I think this area here, all right, is there may be a chance that it can swing down to take this. Okay, but do you want to take the chance? Do you want to trade in the situation where there is no structure? That is my question to myself. Okay, to myself. So when there is no structure, it's as good as no directions. When there's no directions and I pump in a trade, as good as I am having a non-confident trade. So might as well no. Right? Unless you're telling me that I have a $10,000 account and I have I'm trading with 0.01. Okay, I don't mind. Okay, no, that's not true. All right, even you have $10,000 account, you are trading on 0.01. Okay, 0.01 lot. I will advise you no. Okay, don't take it too lightly. Okay, for example, people who are having a FTMO challenge, don't take it too lightly. Okay, because whatever you are doing now is going to be part of a habit in your future trading. Then if you mold up this habit in your live account, in the future with a bigger account, you're going to repeat the same habit. So better not to, right? Okay, I'm not giving you an advice. Okay, I'm not giving you as a viewer an advice here, but I'm giving the person on the bottom right of the screen advice. That's me. Okay, that's me. All right. Okay, I'm giving the advice to myself. Hi, Caro, yo, gang. Yes. Did you manage to capture any TP? Yeah. All right. So hang on. I'm still waiting for a good time to sell something, to look out for anything. Pound dollar, yen, everything is actually no structure. Right. For me right now, there's no structure there. Okay, like Casey was saying, the dollar index has break through the support. Yeah. Yeah, no, I was busy. Oh, yeah, you're busy. Okay. Are you busy with the Chinese Lunar New Year? Are you going to celebrate with me? I can have a Facebook Live and show you how the celebration is like. Only to you, okay? There may be some censored content. Okay, anyway, yeah, just a joke. All right. Okay, I'm joking. I'm joking. Now for dollar yen, yeah, Wasim. Just now we are looking. If you're looking for selling, that's what we are looking at. The structure is coming in slowly as a buy. Okay. Yeah, preparing for Chinese New Year celebration. Yeah, remember the Chinese word, you know, the blessing words. I saw a video recently. Oh, that our joke has become a video for others as well. Now, you know the word. Do you still remember the word blessings? I think that's very easy to learn. The first Chinese word to learn. Okay. So easy to learn. Okay, so in the Chinese New Year, yeah, when you see any Chinese on the street, yeah, exactly, correct, bingo, Caro. Yeah, that's the word, huh? Okay, for dollar yen, yeah, looking for buy, yes, buying. If you're looking for selling, no, buying is still possible. All right, so yeah, and for that, okay, for that. Fu, fu, the word means fu. Fu means in Chinese we pronounce fu as a fu. Okay, yeah, fu means blessing, something like blessing. Or you have yeah. Do you have any better words to replace this blessing? Yeah, people will place always the word fu in front of the door. Okay, so to bring fortune in for yeah, something in, yeah, some blessings in. Okay, so I was like, each time when I go overseas, I'm telling people, you know, especially English speaking. Okay, fu, how do you spell fu? Fu. What do you mean? I mean, yeah, fu spelled as fu. Excuse me, what do you mean? Yeah, fu. Okay, yeah, anyway. Alright, so some little entertainment, okay, yeah. 这个叫自导自演哈，对不对？啊，为了要 humor everybody 哈，yeah, okay, some entertainment. Yeah. Well, we are still working on making the Discord, right? Yeah. My guys, we actually the Discord, yes. But for me, I don't. There's one of my guys are very young punk here. Okay, he knows Discord very well. Yeah. But for me, I have not get into that. Okay, our community is really growing. Yes, yeah, I hope to see more coming in. Yes, yeah, I hope to see more. Yeah, so guys, please help me to share more. Yes, we are here. As we know, okay, we are here to share our trading knowledge and ideas and discuss about the trade. Whether should we enter a trade right now? What's the situation? Okay, as we know, because traders, we are all very boring. We are all by ourselves. So if there's a community that we can share around, like friends chatting, you know, I think that would be good. Okay, yeah. Sometimes, yeah, we can even go into Zoom. Yeah, we can see each other. Yeah, hi. Yeah, let's pump up the likes, guys. Yes, thank you, Casey. Yes, pump up the likes to help me to trigger the algorithm in the YouTube so that more people will see us and more people will join us. Thank you so much. Okay, yeah, okay. Right, so for people who already like, and perhaps you can do an extra step to share. Okay, let's get the likes to the 50. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you very much. Okay. Yeah, I'm waiting for something. That's why we are chatting over here. Yeah, right. But I'm still serious. Okay, although I'm chatting, my eyes are still screening around. Okay, screening around for the structure to come along. All right. Okay. The reason why I'm chatting and cracking some jokes, some stupid jokes that I have, some boring jokes. Okay, why? It's because to shift the FOMO away, so that we are not in the stage of anxiety to enter a trade and enter a trade. I have a lot of anxiety. I don't know what to do. I'm so stuck. Okay, no. Okay, right. So yep, and pound dollar. Okay, so yep, and we managed to, it went down for about 9 pips, and after that, okay, yeah, just see the Arden. Yes, why? Just see the Arden. The resignation has ended. Will it affect the Kiwi NZB. I would say no. No worry. Okay. All right, dollar franc. Let's take a look. Dollar franc. All right, dollar franc over here. Yeah, dollar franc. Yeah, okay, dollar franc good. I'm waiting. Yeah, let's wait for dollar franc to clear this area, break into this area here, retest, and this is the area that I'm looking out for. We have 1, 2, 1, 2. Wow, this is actually quite a tough journey. But ultimately, I see there may be a good chance to come back here. Okay, about 59 pips. 59 pips. Yeah. Okay. 59 pips for dollar franc. Dollar franc. Right. Yes. Okay, guys, do me a favor. Yeah. Do me a favor. Please smash the like button for me. Right. So that we can build a community together. Yes. Then perhaps we can also have we can build up a very good size of this Discord, right? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, yeah, but please don't misuse the Discord. I see many people out there misusing these Discord apps to do some phishing on the, to do some phishing on youngers, or a lot of illegal activity in Discord. I know there are some. I read in this article. Yeah, but I think the Discord was being badly misused in Korea. I think so. Yeah, if I didn't remember wrongly. Oh, that's very bad. That's very bad. A lot of suicide activities. So please don't misuse that. Okay. In fact, any apps. Okay. In fact, any apps. Well, Pao Yen, yes, that's good. Ah, yeah, now, so nice. Finally, I see some structure is coming. Okay. Finally, I see some structure coming, right? So, yeah, Pao Yen looks like we have cleared the area here. Yesterday, we are talking about this target here, and finally, it's cleared. So for now, the selling structure, as we can see from here to here to here, is still ongoing. So probably we will be looking out into an area, hopefully to see the selling structure comes in again, right, for the selling. Then later on, we will have a good chance to sell back into this area here. Probably another 100 pips to go. Wow, fantastic. When it's so flat, when there's no movement, it's creating a point for us to take reference. Later on, like now, example is buying up, right? So later on, we will have a good point to take reference to sell down back to the area here. Will it happen each time, every time? I would say the answer, yes. Okay. Why? Because after one cycle of selling, they're bound to the market have to balance back, okay, somewhere, somehow. So that's what I'm looking out for. Okay, Pound Dollar is also the same thing, which is good because Pound Dollar, right now we are onto this. I'm going to confirm this area. Okay, I'm going to confirm this area here. Right, about here. Okay. Around here. Yeah. Okay. Pound dollar. From this, okay, it came down here. Now it went back to retest this area. So am I looking for selling for this pound dollar? Yes, I'm looking for pound dollar to sell. Okay, I'm looking for pound dollar to sell. So looks good, and there may be a good chance just now. Okay, why am I not selling down here? Because the concrete resistance is here, was here. Okay, so right now it went back to test on this resistance. So we retest, take it as a retest right over here. So at this point of time, okay, at this point of time, number one, the situation may go this way. Not my plan, situation. It may break the resistance, set up a support. You can go for a buy. Now we have something. buyers can take note, right? Then if this is holding down, later on it comes back here and over this area, okay, yeah, there's some, yeah, okay, imbalance here. So once, no, sorry, no, once it comes back here, the support, not imbalance, sorry. So this area, once it breaks into this area, retest into this area here, okay, yes, I'm going to sell down now for 21, okay, in this area, right? So the situation, it may come this way, it may breaks above, set up a support, then continue to buy, and now it should, if this actually breaks below, retest into this area to create a lower highs in this area, I will be selling down to take 22. There will be a 22 pips of space down there. Okay, then that will depends on whether is there any where did we enter? Okay, where is the entry point that we actually go in, and the remaining number of pips that we have. Okay, so let's see. Okay, at least now, yeah, something is there. Okay, really, now really, no more story. Okay, no more story, right? So, yep, and there will be, okay, yeah. So coming in, all right, coming in. Okay, so let's wait and see. Okay. Yep. I'm waiting for it to come into that area first. This area first to sell. Yeah, this area here to sell. Okay. Right. By the way, guys, so far my YouTube video, okay, I will be updating in for the Chinese. Okay, so it'll be in the Mandarin. Okay, so I'm actually now working on to the next phase of videos for in English version. Right. So yeah, so pardon me for those on the English side. Okay, so now it's a Mandarin side. Okay. Yes. I know I have a lot of nonsensical video inside. Yeah, walking around, talking to myself. Okay, let's wait for this pound dollar to happen. Okay, so for pound yen, now we are working onto the area here. Let's see, and right here, from here we can see there's buying signal, buying structure coming in, right? So for buyers, you can take note. For sellers wise, although we are still in the selling, we have 22 pips down here to take the support as a support to continue the buying. Okay, so for now, if you are going for a selling, all right, pound yen, okay, no, I think I better not. Okay, better not. Okay, so not now, better not to. It's not very safe, right? But although I see that there may be a good chance for the pound yen to come down into this area to set up a support to continue the buy, to continue the buying. Okay, to continue the buying. So yeah, for pound yen. So as of now, the pound yen, okay, I would say that there may be a good chance that it will still go for a buy in general. Okay, for the first half of this London market, it should go for a buy. Okay, and then for pound dollar, right? For pound dollar, looking out for this area to break out, look out for a higher resistance before it starts selling. Okay, but we can for the pound dollar, can grab the opportunity. Okay, for some buying profits. Okay, for the buyers, you can grab the opportunity for some buying profits. Okay, yeah. So for buyers, okay, if you are going for a buy, right? Okay, you can wait for this to break above, close above, retest as a support, and then we will look out for buying signal to go for the buy. Have about a good space of about 30 over pips to go, right? 30 over pips to go for the buying, right? That means to say people who are selling, you are looking for, you're going to wait for 30 over pips. Okay, You need 30 over pips patience. Okay. Okay, so yes, yep, and yeah, once again, all right, once again, for now, this is the situation here we are talking about. So it may also come for a selling at this point here. Yeah, but have to wait. But then again, we have to wait. Okay, it may breaks below here, retest this area to sell. We have about selling about 20 pips to go. For pound yen, yeah, pound yen is looking out for this area. Okay, we have an area here. Okay, so here, right, we have a range. Not okay. Anyway, is somewhere here. Okay, yeah. So this area here, it can give a support to go further up. Right, if you are good at grabbing this area, the pullback, this is a buying. Okay, this is a pullback. Am I right? Generally, this is a pullback. So now it's actually coming back here, back to the prevailing bear trend to sell. Okay, now it's coming back to prevailing bear trend to sell. So it should be stopping around here. Okay, then it may be going for another round of buying. Okay, so take note of this. So because the structure has come up to be a buy, so that's why it may turn the whole situation into a buy, right? But it has not confirmed yet. Okay, just that over here, the structure has come in, and over here, if it hits on build up, then the structure really comes in. Very obvious that it's actually coming for the buy. Okay, so if you're good, okay, then some pulling back here, yeah, maybe you can grab some profits over here, right? But nevertheless, over at this point here, okay, it's just a guide here, so it may comes in near to this area, but it may not hit here, okay, or it may go beyond a little bit, then it will go back. Because always a range, it's always a range here. Okay, so let's see how it goes first. Well, pound dollar has come back. Pound dollar, oh, looks like it's going to break above. Okay, so for buyers can take note. Okay, buyers you can take note, but of course you don't buy here now. Okay, if you're going to buy now, you are limiting the space. Okay, so you only have 5 pips. So no. Okay, don't buy here now. Okay, not advisable, right? So we can just avoid this. Okay, then we can continue. Okay, to wait for either way to happen. For pound dollar, either way to happen. Okay, be good. So anyway, we are still in the range. We are still trading in the range. Yeah, we are still trading the range. So, yeah, 18 pips. Yeah, that's the one. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So now let's wait and see. Okay. Probably it will. Okay. So that we are now still waiting. Okay. By the way, guys, just have a quick check. Okay. Just have a quick check. Okay. Is Discord a better channel than YouTube? Why than YouTube? I don't know. Okay, just have some feedbacks from all of you, or you just want a group that we can come in together. Even we don't have a live streaming, you guys can actually discuss the trade over there. Do let me know the whole idea here. Okay. So right now over at this point here, well, looks like it's still testing onto the resistance. It's back into the ranging area. Well, let me draw this out. Okay. First stop. Okay. Yeah. If we are looking into this, right, guys, if we are looking into this, yes, right. So if we are looking into this box that I drew just now, okay, over here, right. If it's if this one, I see there's something, they are still hovering around this range. Am I right? Okay, so let's go into this area here, M15. Can you tell me, anyone can tell me that, you know, this particular box, does it look familiar? Does it look like something? It's going to help us to determine something. I see that there's a lot of accumulation here. Well, I'm not sure. You guys can maybe want to share your opinions. Okay, so probably that we want to do this. Okay, this one. Okay, over here. Why cough? Okay, yeah, looks quite seems like it, huh? Some accumulation here, right? So although we are looking into the general trend, okay, so we are actually having one point retested, rejected. Am I right? So there may be a retesting of this point again. Okay, so over here, I would say, right, I will be start trading when the price go out of the point, when the price go out of the box here. Okay, for example, if I'm going to sell this, highly likely I wish that the price out of the box, then I will wait for retesting, then I will be looking out for entry to sell, which I see there's about 40 pips there. Sorry, 38 pips there, around there. Okay. So if this price going to break above to form a support, as what we said just now earlier on the resistance, then and it will come back this resistance to become a support to set up as a buy, and from there we will start to go for a buy, right? So looks like one, okay, we are actually coming into this area. Okay, so probably we are still in the range that may not be advisable to trade, right? Okay, I would like to hear from the rest. Okay, is there any opinion on the pound dollar here, right? And well, yes, let me take a look at the goal. Well, the goal, wow, is achieving 1917. My mark here. Will it actually come back here for 1912 to set up for the buy to take this 1917 and above, continue the buy? Yeah, probably. Right. So back to pound dollar. Well, looks like there's a selling signal coming in soon. Yeah. So let's see if there's a chance. I caught Goldie buy. All right. Congratulations, Casey. Nice. Good job. Okay. Good. Yeah. Okay. All right. That's nice. Okay. Well, okay. That's good. From 1910 to 1910. Okay. 1910 was here. Okay. It was here. All right. Ah, I see. Wow. Good catch. Nice. Well done. Okay. Look, Sonsi Chompo in M5. Okay, M5. Okay. Cook Jing. Okay. Right. Yep. Let's see. Yep. GU. Okay. Let's come back to GU. Okay. GU. All right. So that may be a good chance there also. All right. But the thing is that, yeah, although we have resistance, okay, but then we are in the range. So just take note that may not be a good selling point here. I don't like to enter a trade where, you know, this red candle is so long. I missed a trade, do I? No, I did not. Okay, so according to my structure, I did not. Okay, so although it went for about 5 pips, but it's going to, looks like it's going to test and see if this structure is still there, right? Then probably then we may see some bounce back, okay, from this area here, right? Let's see. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, so well, Pao Yen, yes, Pao Yen. Well, Pao Yen, let's take a look. Pao Yen. Pao Yen, oh, Pao Yen is swing down a little bit more. And probably in this area here, if this candle going to close as a green candle here, we have set up a support, and that may continue the buy to go up. Then the structure for buying is here. Okay, right. So for buyers, can take note on the next 5 minutes candle. All right. Okay. For pound dollar, oh, unfortunately, okay, we are still there. Okay, so we are still in the range. So do you understand what I meant by, you know, we are in the range right now. We don't really have a very strong signal go either way. Now it breaks into this area here. It's retesting the area here. Yeah, wait for it to go up first. Okay, good. Yeah, so just now I was saying, all right, let's wait for it to break into this area, retest. Yeah, we are retesting this area now. Okay, so if there's another round of resistance to sell down, okay, we still have to be careful with this range. Okay, this range here. Okay, so if I minimize it, I zoom out, you can see whole range here. Okay, you can just all this. Okay, it's like a spring. Okay, a spring out. Okay, so it seems like you know, the buying is a little bit much more possible. Okay, it will spring the price up. Yeah. Okay. Can I buy GJ now? GJ, let's take a look. Okay, GJ. Well, okay. So seems like looks like okay, this is actually coming for a structure of buying. Well, if you are looking for buying now, okay, we have one challenge here and one challenge here. So probably okay, maybe at least about 26 pips there. And this will be about 10 pips there. So just take note if you are going for a buy for the pound yen. Okay, pound yen, you are going for a buy. Alright, just take note. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, the buying structure is there. The buying structure is coming in. Yes. Alright. So for pound dollar, same thing. Well, it's also coming in. Yeah. Euro yen as well. Okay, Euro yen. Yeah, Euro yen same. Euro yen we set up for the structure of the buying now to look out for resistance. Generally, it is it still on the selling side or on the buying side? Well, we are on the selling. Well, selling, but now it's looking for a resistance. So allow it to go for a higher one to take out the highs. Okay, we have not taken out the highs yet, and there's a good gap over here. All right, so likely it's going to take out this 139, 148. So Euro yen going for a buy is highly possible. Then around 45 pips there, okay, Euro yen. Okay, that's one that I'm looking out for. Okay, yeah. Once again, all right, Euro yen. Okay, Euro yen. So now it's actually retracing downwards to look out for support that will continue to buy, because I'm looking out to take out the highs up there at a price of about 139, 148. Okay, why is that the price? The market opening with a gap here, so there will be some imbalance here, so they need to recover it. So they need to recover this thing. So likely it will be setting up the support about around 138,623. And then it will start to create a buy signal to continue the buy. So if I want to sell, if I'm going to sell, I will be waiting for euro yen to reach to a price of 139.148. Then that will be a good time for me to sell. So for pound yen, right? For pound yen, okay. Tentatively for pound yen, as we can see, is actually the pound yen is actually in the bear, right? It's in the selling mode. Well, for pound yen, it's in the selling mode. But then again, is that for now, it's looking for a resistance to continue the selling later on. So same thing, right? For pound yen, if we are looking at M5 right now, it's actually building up a higher support, and now it's going up to go for a higher high, right? So it should be looking out for some resistance up there to take out the highs later on. Then I will sell. Where am I looking at? I'm looking at around 159.152. 159.152. So that should be the price that I'm looking out for. So at the moment, right now, for the first half of the London market, yes, we can look out for a buy first, unless there's a new resistance coming in. Okay. All right. So pound dollar, yeah, pound dollar, same thing. As for pound dollar, right now we are in the range. Okay, if you're looking into M5, right? So from the price here, 123.475 all the way down to 123.276. Yeah, this is the range. We are having a range down here that the price is still remaining in the range, showing nowhere to go, either buying or selling. It doesn't show a very clear signal for that. So let's wait for it to break out either 123, okay, either 123 441, okay, or break down to about 123.274. Then we'll decide to sell. Okay, that's either way. Okay, since we are right in the middle right now, no chance. So probably we have to wait. Yeah, a long wait. Oh, but last day of this week, it gives such a movement. So boring. Yeah. Okay, so let's see, right? Let's see if this is going to break above. Okay, push higher, yes, for the pound dollar. Anyway, for the pound dollar right now, we are looking into from here. It reached out to this level and pushing up for one more level. It closes here with a higher support. Now it's trying to break through the resistance. Okay, whenever I see higher support closing up to the resistance, is a sign of breaking of the resistance. So that shows a sign of buying. Okay, later on when it breaks above, come back to retest, buying signal comes in, then we will continue the buying. All right, then I think that will be quite good. Okay, so we are looking out, we are reaching out for the sky, and after that, once it's steam off, we'll have good chance to come back here. All right, for about 54 pips for sellers. Okay, so there will be a good chance that we come back here. Right, so once again, okay, it depends. If the situation goes up and it started to have the same thing up there, okay, then we will, if there's a breakdown, okay, then we will sell down into this area first. And this will be the first hurdles. Okay, this range will be the first hurdles. Okay, why do I say so? Let's say if this is the accumulation session, okay, this is an accumulation area. When it bounces up to become a distribution area, usually if it breaks down, okay, to have a markdown, usually it will come back to the accumulation area. Okay, so well, we can see later on. Let's see if that happens. Of course, we don't wish to see distribution area, because if you see they are building up the distribution area, that means another sideways going along. Then probably tomorrow, then you will see the markdown. Okay, so now it's actually trying to have a markup over here. Okay, so let's see if there's a chance to buy. Okay, if there's a chance to go for a buy. So probably we may need a little bit of time. So probably the next hour. Okay, yeah, probably the next hour. Right. So just be patient. Okay. Yeah. And and H4 is actually now trying to get out of the range as well. If you can see these 3 candle as we mark out from the M5, okay, M15, we can see that yeah, these 3 candle for the past 12 hours it has been running in this range. Okay, so yeah, probably. Okay. Yes. So just be a little bit patient. Well, and for dollar yen, okay, sorry, dollar franc. Okay, dollar franc. Oh, it bounced back from this area. I'm still waiting for dollar franc to close below this area. Then retrace. Then we have a good chance for selling. Okay, then we'll have a good chance for selling. Right. So let's see and let's wait for it to happen because this area is too tight. We only have about we merely have only about 8 pips. If I'm getting a 5, it also seems like it's a very tough job to do. Okay, it's a very tough job to achieve. So I think no. Okay, so dollar yen. Well, dollar yen. Oh, it really comes into this resistance. Okay. Hi, Kingdom. Nice to see you here. Thank you so much for coming in. Well, for dollar yen, looks like the selling is coming. Dollar yen, right? Dollar yen. Oh yeah, looks like one. Yeah, dollar yen. Dollar yen over here. Okay. We have one area here. Okay. Have a area here. 27 pips. But we have one support over here. Okay, so take note of this area here. Okay, yeah, JJ, yes. Hey, trading is about patience and waiting for the right structure. Been listening to your trade psychology tips. Pound dollar, we wait. Thank you so much, JJ. Thank you very much. I give you a thumbs up. Pung, pung. Okay, yeah. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So, yep. So probably yes. I'm talking and talking just to avoid FOMO. Yeah, once again. Yeah, that's the reason why I keep talking. If you don't find me as a nuisance, right, then you will know why am I doing it. If you know why I'm doing it, you will not find me as a nuisance. Right. So I will come up with a lot of things to entertain all of you. Well, if you have any good jokes, okay, yeah, you can share with us. All right. Okay. So you guys, yeah, everyone can contribute. All right. Okay. So yeah, and because I have a lot of jokes, but lousy jokes. Yeah. Just now, dollar yen I was talking about it. Yes. Yeah. It looks like we are having a selling structure coming in. However, we are very near to the support. Okay, this is a support. Okay, the support has created so near, and we are now moving slowly. Okay, to create another lower highs here. All right, to continue the trending. Okay. Oh, no worries. You're away. Okay, no worries. Seems away. Okay. Then over here, okay, we are now on this support here. Okay. Just now we are talking about this resistance. So indeed, it came into this resistance and it stopped. And now started to swing down with a lower highs. Seems like the sellers are coming in to disturb the buyers, right? Then, but unfortunately, we have one support so near. So waiting for it to break this support first. Then we will have a good chance to test one below, about 30 pips to go. So there may be another obstacle here, 23 pips. So whichever, 20 or 30, okay, about 7 pips, then we'll just take the 30. Okay, then let's see. Okay, if this actually can break. If not, this is going to break above the resistance, then that's it. No more. It will continue the buying. Okay. So as of that, then we will have to wait longer. Right? We'll have to wait longer. Okay. Yep. And let's see. Okay. Probably, yeah, we will need a little bit of time. Okay, then pound dollar, then maybe, yeah, as we can see now, pound dollar is breaking through. Okay, it's breaking through this area here. All right, then looks like it's going to retest as what we have planned earlier on. Then after that we may go for a buy. Right, GJTP 5 pips. Okay, bye. Okay, congratulations. Let's see. Okay, GJ. Oh, from here. Okay, I think yep. Okay. Wow, good catch, Bradley. Congratulations. Yeah. Hi, Ravin. Nice to see you here. Pound dollar 1 hour sell idea. Pound dollar, we are looking. We are in the range. Okay, for the 1 hour, I won't be looking out for selling right now. We are actually looking out for selling. Okay, but the chart, we are in the range here. So we have no clear direction whether to buy or sell. Okay, so for now, okay, over at this area here, just now we are talking about this area here. So it may, can you see a red line here? This is the resistance. If it breaks above, it may continue to form a support to go for a buy. And if I'm going to sell, I want to break below. Okay, I want to break below this area here and out of the box of this range, then probably we may go for a selling down there to scout for about 15 pips or even more. Okay, so tentatively it has been bouncing here and there in this range for the past 1.5 hours. So there isn't any clear directions. Unless you are doing a scalping, 5 pips, 5 pips. Okay, I think probably from certain area. So far, I don't see any. Okay, you can grab the 5 pips within the range. This range is actually very small. Okay, so tight for 20 pips only. So not suggesting for scalping in this area as well. So far, there's no trade at all for us, for me. Okay, for me. So at the moment, selling for this area here, I don't see there's any potential. Okay, for me, right? If you have a different opinion, yes, yeah, please let us know. Yeah, then we can share together. Okay, yeah. From this area here, it reaches the resistance. Now coming back for the selling here, if you are grabbing from this area here to sell down, okay. I don't find very safe here. Okay, yeah, okay. Hi, Benny Tan. Where are you from? Well, I'm new here. How many pips do you usually TP in your trades? Well, I'm a scalper, 5-10. Okay, 5 to 10. But I know you guys can have much more, so I can maybe, yep, there may be one that you can see, right? If I see a potential one entry, you have 20 pips, you want to go for 20, yes, you may go, right? Yeah, okay, you're from Singapore, nice to meet you, right? We are friends. Okay, yeah, I'm from Singapore too. Okay, yeah, so yep, and it depends on situations. It depends on situations. Sometimes, if there's a very clear, good directions, clear charts like yesterday, yes, we actually grabbed a bit more than 5 to 10. Okay, some was like candle was doing about 100 over to 2, right? Okay, so some was like 50, some 60. Yeah. Okay, yesterday. We're talking about yesterday. Yeah, for example, not this pound dollar. We're talking about pound yen. Yesterday we are trading on pound yen. Am I right, guys? Yeah. Oh, yeah, for the pound yen. Yes. Dollar yen also. Oh, okay. Yeah, also for dollar yen. That's right. Yesterday was a very good day. Yeah. So dollar yen, pound yen. Yeah, we grabbed a little bit more. Okay. So yes, thank you for coming in. Yes. Yeah. Yesterday was so nice to trade. Very trending. Yes, indeed, it is very trending. Yeah, and very good, easy to grab profits as well. Yeah. So, but today, after yesterday actions, today was a little bit flat, I would say. Yeah. So there's no structure for buying and selling, especially like pound dollar. You know, it was so flat over here, and it doesn't seem like it's going anywhere. So, you know. Yeah, just have to be more patient for that. Okay, so if you are selling on this, now it's coming back on the buying. This is still the mark that we have placed. 123.351. over here, and it touches, that doesn't close below, it went back again. So as we can see, we mark on this together, 123.351. This is the point. It's quite tough there. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Today pretty bad. I'm a scalper too. Oh, struggling to hit 10 pips trading. Got wrecked from 1 to 4. Well, okay. I think all of us here, okay, welcome to the community. Okay, we are all waiting. Yeah, I'm not sure how long have you been into this channel. Maybe 1 hour, 1 minute. We are not single provider, but we are here to discuss the trade together. All right. If we find something, we voice out to each other and we'll discuss it. Okay, if it's good, then we'll enter it together. So same thing. Today we have nothing to enter together, and we are waiting together. All right, by default I'm on my pound dollar. Okay, so if you go through any other currency pairs, anyone voice out. Okay, yeah, so pound dollar over here, we are still in this range here. Okay, according to my analysis, okay, we are hitting into the range here. So like Bradley was saying there is a white off here. So probably there may be, these are all the spring, it may spring up for the buy. So but if it actually came down, if it comes down to break out of this range, then I will be looking out for the selling. Because I see the selling is still highly possible, I'm going to take this range. This is my target here. Okay, I'm going to take this range. So I have about 30 to 40 pips, 40 pips, around 40 pips. So within that 40 pips, along the way, yeah, I will take 5 and 10, 5 and 10. If there's any retracement, I will get out. And then if they come back for selling, I'll go in and grab some. If some retracement, I'll get out and go in when it's selling. Okay, so that's how I scalp it. Okay, I think more or less we are doing the same thing. Okay, so yep, feel free to share anything positive. Okay, anything positive. Okay, so over here, when we say selling, it went buying. Okay, go buy. Now it's turning selling. Well, so anyway, it is still, well. Okay, Benny, you look so handsome. Oh, very nice hairstyle. Okay. So over here, okay, and right here, still in the range, nothing. Okay, dollar franc. Oh, Merry Christmas. Your dollar franc is actually now not behaving well. It's going against. I'm waiting for dollar yen to break into this area here. Okay, this whole area is what we are looking out for. So that once it breaks into this area, I'm looking out for entry to sell down to this area about 58 pips. So for dollar yen, well, dollar yen, we are now waiting for selling, but yet it set up, it tested on the support, it went up again. The selling structure seems to be disrupted, and not much of a selling signal coming in as well. So at this point here, all right, so it goes this way, coming back here, right, about 12 pips. So will it actually come back to test? But the whole structure is on the buying. So if we are selling now, seems like we are creating the structure. I don't create the structure. Let's wait for the market to create the structure. Then I will follow them. Okay, remember, I'm not a god, I'm a dog. Okay. Okay, so I will follow my master. Okay, whatever my master is, the market. Okay, the market will tell me what to do, and I will go into it. Okay, pound yen. Let's take a look. Pound yen. Pound yen. There's a chance for selling. Here. Let's see. Right, 2 minutes. Okay, pound yen. Oh yeah, pound yen. Too bad we missed that. Okay, I missed the pound yen. Right, just took 10 pips from pound yen. Congratulations, Benny. Good job. Nice. Okay, yeah, I missed the pound yen. Yeah. Yes. Exactly. Yeah. I missed a little bit. Yeah. Oh, that's bad. Okay. So let's see. And well, okay. For that, let's see pound yen. Well, pound yen, okay, just now if I over here, okay, when the pound yen actually comes in for the selling here. Went down here 13. I think it's coming to test into this area that we are talking about just now. And this area is going to be the area that it will start to build up, become a higher high. Okay, so probably it may be. Okay, let's see if this is going to break below, okay, and retest into this area here. Yes, then I will have another chance to grab for another 20 pips of space down there. There will be a good chance down there. For dollar yen, let's take a look at dollar yen. Dollar yen, I would say that tentatively there isn't any. So not much. Yeah, there's not much there. Not much there. So I think for dollar yen better not to. Okay. Okay. So for euro yen, okay, yen. Euro yen, no. It's according to the plan on the buy side. It's still on the buy. It's still going to take out 139, 148. So no. Okay. Yes. Pound yen. Pound yen, yes. Yes, Sabrina. Pound yen. The pullback just now is to set up for the buy. Am I right to say that? For this area, yes. Just now, okay, this area to come down here. Okay, remember we are still looking for this support, this range of support here, right? This range of support. Okay, so once it hits here, if it's set up for a buy, yes, we are going to push further up. Okay, we're going to push further up. So to take out the highs up there, then later on we are looking out for the selling. Okay, so at the moment right now, okay, at the moment right now, the selling over here, if you are good, okay, to take some, all right, you can. If not, then I'm going to wait for it to break below, retest this area, then I'm going to sell down for 20 pips of space down there. Okay, yeah, yes, that's correct. Okay, so at the moment right now, okay, so tentatively, we are still looking into this plan. Okay, let's wait and see for the price to reach this area 157,999. Okay, 157,999. So once this pound yen has reached this area, then we will have a clearer picture what it is going, where it is going. Earlier on for the past 2 hours, we are struggling. There's no direction, there's no structure. Finally, now the structure started to surface one by one. Okay, pound dollar. Yeah, good. Now, pound dollar. Looking out for selling. Am I right to say that? We are still looking into this area of 15 pips pound dollar. So there will still have quite a good space down there, right? So over here, okay, so let's see if this is going to give us some profit. Okay, so retesting needed for pound dollar. Okay, I will be focusing on the pound dollar. All right, let's see. Okay, if this pound dollar is going to, right, let's see. This pound dollar, well, if this pound dollar is going to retest into this range area here, by the time it comes in, okay, then probably we will take a trade down here to sell. Okay, so well, this is the mark. This is the magnet that I see the price is coming. Pound yen to buy, or pound yen to buy. Looks like it's coming again. Okay, yeah, looks like it's hitting on this range here, right? So looks like, okay, so let's wait and see if we have the buying structure is actually still setting up for the buying structure. Pound yen is still on the buy side. Okay, it's still on the buy side. So let's wait for a little while. Okay, so for pound dollar, let's take a look. Okay, yes, we are getting nearer and nearer. Yep. Yes, correct. That's right. Yep. Wow. Okay, so yeah. So take a look. Pound dollar, right? No resistance. We cannot sell now. There's no resistance. The resistance came in here, right? So I want a fresh new resistance to tell me that it has the intention to continue the selling. Okay. Right. Okay. Hang on. Hang on. Hang on. Just wait. Okay. Well, there's a show of hopefully it go back to retest this area here, right? And hopefully it's retest the area and giving us a new resistance to sell down once again. Okay, don't get so excited to sell down when the big candle comes in. Usually it is not very I'm not very keen in selling with the big candle like this, unless I have already entered a trade when the big candle come. Of course, please come, am I right? But not this. This is not so good. Yeah, this is not so good. All right. Okay. Yes, Bradley. I just calculated 6 months with you in channel. I got a profit of 74%. Wow. Okay. Congratulations. Nice. Okay. Very good. Yeah, I think that's good. Yeah, that's your effort and that's your credit. Okay, your achievement. Well done. Oh, nice. Okay. All right. So over at this point here, okay. Over at this point here, will it actually show a continuity of the selling here? That maybe there's a possibility, and for it to get out of the range. Okay. Yeah. Let's see. Okay. Well, like slowly we are coming. Fresh new hour of selling is coming in as well. Okay, so let's take a look. Hi, John Chang. Yes, can I help you? Where are you from? I think this is the first time I see you here. Right. Okay, so yeah, so trend line is not always a trade. Trend line is not always a trade. Let me understand. Sorry, I don't really get it. So, let me try to understand what do you mean. So trend line is not always a trade. Trend line. First of all, I don't trade on the trend line. Trend line is just a trend line, just telling me where it is going, or reporting purpose. Okay, I'm reporting to my boss, my trading chief. Okay, for example. Okay, yeah, but I don't really use trend line anyway. Okay, I'm basing on the movement of the current situation, to gauge where to go, what to trade. Okay, so that is my main point. Okay, other than that, I don't really use trend line. Right. So yep, let's come back here with pound dollar. I hope my answer is what you're looking for. Okay, very sorry about it. Yeah. Oh yeah, from Perth. Oh, I see. Yeah. Looking at the price movement down is not always confirming a sell yet. Yes, definitely no. Not really. When the price is coming down, doesn't mean it's a selling trade. Yeah, it doesn't mean it's good to sell. So that's what I meant. So usually I will look out for a new resistance before I go for a selling. Yeah. So for now, in such a situation, just now we are discussing about this, that we are in this range. We are trying to get out of this range. So once we get out of this range, then is it a time that we will just shoot for a selling trade? No, as well, because the price is already very low from the main resistance. So I will prefer to wait for a new resistance to come in again. Then I will go for the selling. If not, then I will not. Okay. Yeah. Right. So yeah. And yes. Over here. Okay. Right now. Okay. GJTP Bradley. Congratulations. Okay, Bradley is our cowboy, by the way. Okay, he's here for a long time with me. So GJ, let's take a look. GJ, yeah, he's a cowboy, a very good scalper here. And we have a good scalper Caro as well in the goal. Yeah, but he's busy. I think he's busy preparing for Chinese New Year in UK. Okay. Anyway, yeah, he's a nice guy. Okay, so yeah, just now, yeah, we were saying that this area create another higher high. Yeah, so yeah, he took I think Bradley, you took a opportunity to buy up. Am I right? To scalp for some profits. Yeah. Okay. All right. So yeah, never mind. Let's come back here. Okay. For this, I'm a seller, by the way. For those who are new to me, I'm a seller, and this channel, we are building community for the traders. All right, to come in here to discuss. Okay, to make friends. Okay, we are here to challenge who is better. Okay, we are here to be great. Okay, so yeah, we are here to be great in trading and make money together every day together, so that one fine day, even when we are old, we are friends. If I happen to go to your place, I will let you know where I'm going. All right, so hopefully we can meet up face to face one day, okay, over a coffee and take a 1 or 2 trades. Oh, by the way, I have kicked away the coffee habit, so no coffee. Coffee is bad. Yeah. Coffee is really bad. Yeah. Okay, so yep. Yes, then let's see. Okay, we are now. Okay, yes, thanks. Great correction in my strategies so far. Oh, I see, John. Yeah, it will be good. No, I'm not here to correct you. We are here to share. Okay, yeah, but I think if you think that helps, you try to apply and back test a little bit. All right, then we can see how it goes for your trading structure strategy. Okay, yeah. John Chang, can you understand Mandarin? Are you a Chinese? Perth? We have many Australian here. Yeah. Joshy Boy from Melbourne. Carol from Melbourne. Okay, and who else who else that I can remember? Yeah. Okay. Now we have one more. John. We are from Perth. Right. Okay. Okay. Yes. Yeah. Hopefully one day. Yeah. When I go back. When I go to Perth. Yeah. And we can meet up over a drink. Yeah. Well, pound dollar. Yeah, that's what I meant, and that's like what John has just mentioned and shared with us as well. Selling doesn't mean it's selling. Okay, so as you can see, we are trying to get out of this range, but it's not getting out yet. It's going back, retest. Boring, am I right? Okay, since that's so boring, look out for buying trades on the pound yen. Okay, yeah. Buying trades on pound yen. So yes, so look out for this. Buying is still buying. Well, we are still looking for buying. Euro yen also, we will be looking out for buying. Oh yes, it's getting on. Yeah, it hits nicely into our plan, and it went up for the buy. Okay, it went up for the buy. So yeah, okay. So let's see if this actually still going on the buy side. Okay, to this where we are talking about 139.148. Okay, 139.148. Okay. Yeah, so still waiting for it to achieve. Okay, we still have around 27 pips to go. Yeah, okay. Yes, Bradley. I'm still holding EJ buy. Wow. You're still holding EJ buy. Okay. Well, are you going to buy? I'm a seller. I will tell you, okay, if you want to buy, you can go ahead and buy. Okay, but I'm a seller. So I will waiting for the price to come in to 139, 148. Once it comes into this area here, 139, 148, then after that, once it's taken out the highs, then I will look out for one more resistance. Once it hits on the resistance after taking out the highs, then I will start selling. Okay, I will start selling with a fresh, new resistance. Then I love to sell from the fresh new resistance. So I'm always waiting for the fresh new resistance. Okay. So right now the buying has already went for quite a while. Like Bradley is still holding on the EJ buying. So for guys who want to buy Euro Yen to scalp for some profits, yes, you may look out for area. Okay, look out for this area as well. It's coming back here. We have this. Now we're going to move this. Okay, it should have been shifted up here. Okay, this range. Okay, we have a range here. So from here all the way up here, about 2 to 3 pips, I think. 974, about 5 pips. There's a 5 pips of range here. Then it may comes in here, and then it will start to go for the buy, right? Then it will start to go for the buy. So that is one. Okay, that I'm looking out for. So we can look out for that because I think that should be quite good. And for that to recover the gap up there, okay, the gap up there, so we can see that the gap up there is actually more it's beneficial for us to continue the buy. Okay, all right. Okay, let's stand back here and let's see. Hi David, nice to see you. Wow, it's been a while. How are you? All right. For the goal wise, okay, generally we are looking out for buying, but we need a support. Okay, we need a support. Okay, so generally, okay, we are looking out for buying here. If you are looking at general trend, so right now the selling has broke my support. Okay, so we are looking into the selling here. Then if this area here, the selling comes in, retesting the area here, yeah, retesting the area here, right? If the new resistance is going to form up here, I see there may be a good chance that it's going to take this area. Right, let me check. Oh yeah, oh, you have a lot of school lately. I see. Okay, yeah, should focus on your studies first. Okay, that's very important. 1907. Yeah, this may, yeah, it may take out 1907 to 1906. Yeah, you can see the long wick here. Yeah, so over here, okay, for gold analysis a bit different from my currency analysis. I will apply a little bit differently. Okay, so if this is going to retest, the retesting successfully, yeah, I think that there should be a good chance that it should be coming down to 1906. Take out this area before it continue the buying. Well, 1917 is still the main target. It's still the main target that it is still for. Okay, so yeah, and yes, will it actually recover the 2000? Recover the 2000. Wow, what a question. Okay, to recover the 2000. Okay, do you think so? Well, Ukraine war is still ongoing. Okay, so anything can happen. Yeah. Well, okay, David. So yeah, I'm still looking for a buy, but it needs a support. So tentatively, I will still be looking out into this area here, 1907 to 1906. Okay, 1907 to 1906. When it comes in for the selling, you can do a selling right now for a while. If the selling signal comes in, okay, like now a little bit, you can do a scalping down. Once it hits into the area here to set up a support, yeah, then once the buying signal comes in, look out for the buy. Okay, look out for the buy. Right, David, that's for me. Okay, my own opinion here. Okay, so yeah. For the rest, if you have any opinion about this, yeah, you can also share with us. Okay, dollar yen, it seems like climbing up, still climbing up. Okay, still climbing up. Right, you're most welcome, David. Okay, study hard. Okay, achieve that cert first, that certificate. Okay, get that done. Right. Okay. Yeah. So meanwhile, let's see if there is other thing. Okay. I will get it for you. All right. Yes. Okay. Thank you. So where are you? Where are you schooling now? Are you schooling in Harvard now? Selling GU. Let's see the GU. Selling GU. We are in the range. I love to sell it. I would love to sell it, but it's a bit you know. You're studying Germany now. Oh, I see. Right. I should say Guten Morgen to you now. Okay. I think the selling is coming a bit not very good. This selling is not very good. We are still in this range here. Okay. No, not enough space for me. Okay, not enough space for me. One day when I visit Berlin, okay, and I shall see you. Okay. hopefully you are still there. You won't be running away, flying to somewhere else to enjoy your holidays. Am I right? Okay. EJ looks for a sell maybe in 15 minutes. Yeah. Okay. EJ, huh? EJ. Euro yen. Euro yen. Yes. Euro yen. Generally, we are looking for a buy. Okay. Generally, we are looking for a buy because there's a gap up there, so we are trying to recover the gap. So for Euro yen, yes, it hits into my support area right now again. This is not a support area anyway. This is an area call. It will set up for a higher lows and go for a higher high. Okay, it's a higher lows area. Looking out for buying. Okay, yeah, Euro yen looking out for buying. Yes. Okay. So yeah, maybe we can take a look at this for Euro yen. Yeah. Okay. Yep, and one thing about this, okay, for Euro yen, okay, okay, UJ opportunity buy, okay, UJ Benny, all right, let's see UJ, UJ, yes, take a look UJ. This buying is going to test on the resistance here. Okay, this buying, right? If unless you are scalping for this area here to here for 10 pips, I think that's still fine. Right, I will be waiting for this dollar yen break above, come back to retest this area, then I'm going to set up for the buy. And this buy is potentially for about 35 pips. about 35 pips of space. I think that should be quite good. Okay. Yeah, the structure now is on the buy side. For pound dollar, okay, pound dollar. Merry Christmas. Okay. Yeah. A friend here now. Okay, so over at this point here, looks like we are actually now testing on this resistance to come back here. Test on this area of support again. But importantly is we are still falling into the range. We are still falling into that range. So pound dollar very difficult. Yeah, today very difficult. Yeah, I'm waiting for pound dollar to break out either side, then we'll decide where to go. If it's going to break out above, okay, I'm going for the buy, which I see there's around 30 pips to go. If it's going to break below, we also have around 30 pips to go. Okay, yeah, below we have 34, 35 pips, right? Just now we are talking about it. I've forgotten about it. Yeah, this area here. Okay, so we should have about 40 pips. About 40 pips. So tentatively not yet there. Okay, so still waiting. Okay, still waiting for that to happen. Right. Okay, for euro yen, let's take a look. Is there a chance for selling? All right. So yeah, the chance of selling here tentatively, okay, it seems like it's coming back to test into this area here. So just be careful, okay, because of this area, a higher support area. If this is going to break below, then the space here is a support here, which I see we have only about 9 pips to go, which is can be quite tough, okay, grab even a 5 pips. So just be careful because right now there isn't any selling structure yet. Okay, so just hang on for a little while. Okay, seems like it's back to ranging and consolidation again for dollar yen. Am I right? We're talking about dollar yen or Benny? Yeah, so yes, I'm also waiting and waiting, still waiting. Okay, well, it's fine. Yes. Okay, so come back here, pound yen, right? Pound yen. Well, you went out for the buy just now, getting some profits here, and after that, now it closed above to set up another range, higher support, higher lows up here. Well, it seems like it's going to push further. Okay, so we also have about a nice space down there, 35, about 35 pips, around 35 pips. So still good. Okay, for pound yen to buy, I think tentatively still looking good for that. Okay, so for pound yen to buy, the thing is that they have we have this short area here, small area here, 12 pips, about 12 pips there. Okay, yep. Euro yen can buy, yes. Euro yen, generally Euro yen can buy, right? Because we are still looking into that for the euro yen to grab some to recover that gap up there. Yeah. Yes, Riano. Yes, EJ. If I'm going to buy, scalping, or should I go for a long term? Well, I would say that for EJ, let's take a look. EJ. Well, for EJ, if I'm going to look into this area here, EJ, right, this area here, obviously we can see there's a gap. And so far, so good, the gap has never failed us. Am I right? Okay, once the gap is here, okay, looks like today is going to recover this area here, to recover the gap. Okay, so to cover back the gap, and I would say this should be more on the long term side. Don't do a scalping. About 20 to 30 pips to go, around there. Okay, it based on your MT4. Okay, basing on mine. Okay, because we are using different brokers, so we have different liquidity provider. Then perhaps that will also give a different gap. Okay, yeah, again. Okay, so tentatively, okay, I'm still looking for a buy. Okay, so still good to go for a buy. Our yen is still coming back to test into this area because looks like it's still also setting up for a buying signal. Well, pound dollar, is it getting out of the range? It's still not getting out of the range yet. So irritating. Am I right? Okay, so that's one. If this continue this way until the next H4 opening, I don't even know what to plan for the pound dollar. Honestly, I don't even know what to plan for the pound dollar. So the New York session wise probably today, yeah, can be a lot of movement later on since the whole of the whole of this London section is actually quite flat. Today we don't have any high impact news, but a lot of medium impact news. So that may be one of the reason. Okay, that may be one of the reason. Hi Kenneth, nice to see you here. Congratulations for your dollar yen yesterday. Right, so today we are actually everything is so flat. We are coming into a very boring day. Okay, so guys, just a reminder. Okay, tomorrow I won't be having my live streaming until 25th of January. I'll be giving myself a break for this Chinese Lunar New Year over here. So until 25th of January, I'll be back again. Okay, right. Yes, thank you. A nice 200 pips ang pao from yesterday. Wow, nice. Good, very good. Very good. Yeah, that's a very good ang pao. Really very good ang pao. Okay, yeah. Oh, that is very good. Nice. Okay, good job. That should make you a 20,000 extra. 20,000 USD. Wow. Convert over to like 80,000, near to 100,000. Fantastic. Fantastic ang pao. I guess. My wild guess. Okay, yeah. All right. So yes, and yeah, Euro yen. Let's take a look. Euro yen. Okay, Euro yen. Okay. Oh, now it's coming back. Right. Coming back. Well, coming back to the selling or to test on the sphere here once again. Let's see if this is break into this area. Okay, the goal I buy enter. Okay, the goal. Let's see. The goal is just now we are talking about the goal, which the goal is actually going to retest this area. Okay, retest this area to see if the retesting successful. If this successful, it will still go down to take about 1906 to 1907. Okay, 1907 or 1906. Okay, so let's see if the retesting successfully. If failed, it breaks above, it will continue to go back from the buy side. Because for the gold, the general trend is still on buy, the bull is still running. Okay, so for this part here, okay, for this part here, but for the goal wise, okay, if this not to worry, David, not to worry. Okay, this is only my reading. Right, but it can still go. Okay, if I'm going on the buy side, if this is going to break above, the chances of going for a buy still there. Okay, still there because we are for this selling down to this area. I'm looking out for pullback to set up a support so that it can go further up. But for the goal wise, okay, if this is going to break above, then you can continue. Look out for 1913. First stop is 1913. Okay, yeah, 1913 is the first stop. That will be something that we should be looking for. Right. Yeah, and once again, okay, let's come back. Pound dollar. Oh, we are in the range again. Okay, never mind. Pound yen. Okay, we are back here testing onto the same area here. Well, same area. Looks like this same area is still going. Okay. Wow, India is set to overtake China as the world's most populous country. Here's how their demo growth is. Okay, yeah. Well done, India. Right. Acha, India, acha. Alright. Okay, wow, John. Oh, that is oh, you are Chinese, I guess. 新年快乐. What? 新年快乐. Yeah. May you prosper in God. Thank you so much. Okay, thank you very much. 我也祝你 what 今年发财吧 I think easy. 新的一年发大财啊 Every day got your TP in this new year. Okay, yeah. No, we have my group of friends, we always have this. You know, when people always tell you when you see somebody, okay, Chinese always look out for money. You know why? Whenever we meet each other during this Lunar New Year, we'll say, "Hey, 恭喜发财, 恭喜发财." We always talk about wealth. 恭喜发财 means prosperity in wealth, right? Okay, so I always talk about money. That shows how badly the Chinese love money. Well, we never say 身体健康, correct? We always say 恭喜发财. Okay, no. That's a joke. All right. Yeah, I would like to get into a trouble where people say, "Hey, you racist." Okay, so yeah, let's come back here again. Pound dollar, we are in the range, nothing. Okay, so pound yen, coming back into this area to test onto this highest lows area to push for a higher high. They are still working on it. Right, so dollar yen, let's see. Oh, dollar yen. Okay, so this is the area here. I'm waiting for dollar yen to break out and retest this area, and then we will go for a buy. Yes, did you get any trade today? So no, not yet. No structure from the start until now. Okay, and the structure comes in all the buying, so I did not get in any trades. Yeah, Casey, I did not get any trade yet. Okay, yes, so yep, right. So I'm still waiting. Okay, I'm still waiting for this dollar yen to break out of this area 128.345. Then after that, retest this 128.345 to go for a buy. All right. So another one. All right. So for dollar franc, let's take a look. Dollar franc. Just now. Merry Christmas. We are discussing about this. We are waiting for dollar franc to break down this area to retest, and then we will go for a selling. Okay. Yes. Casey. All right. I only caught that go by. Oh, I see. Not earlier on. Just not that one, right? Okay. Yeah. I think who? Bradley just now signal us for EJ buying. Yeah. I think he's holding on the EJ. Yeah, he's holding on the EJ. So let's see the EJ. We can cover back the gap. Right. Dollar franc. We are waiting for it to break below, and after breaking this below this, retest into this area as a resistance. Then I'm going to look out for a selling. We have very nice space of 56 pips there. But of course, along the way, there have some supports that we need to take note. Okay, so just take note if you have taken, you can do some scalping because you see there's some supports here, support here. So whenever it reaches the support, it started to retrace, get out of the trade first. Then after wait for the retesting, then come back again for another selling. When it reaches support, get out of the trade first. Then when it retrace, then come in, then go for another selling. Same thing, repeats all the way down. Okay, so the last part here, okay, it will be about 18 pips, 18. Okay, so I think this is the plan for the dollar franc. Okay, Merry Christmas. Are you still there, or you went cooking? I think he went. I think Merry Christmas went to cook this curry fish head for me. Yeah, Merry Christmas has been talking about curry fish head, and until now I still haven't had my curry fish head. I have to drive around and look out for nice curry fish head now. Yeah. Okay, I don't believe in Google. I don't believe in Google telling me which food is nice. Singapore, usually that is not nice. It's all advertising purpose. Yeah. Okay, no, that's not true. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So Euro Yen, there's a gap up here, and I'm looking for this to recover the gap. Okay, and then see if there's a chance for me to go on. All right. Okay, so that should be good, right? That should be good to continue the buying. If this set up for the buy to break away from this resistance here, then the buy will still continue for another round of 28 pips. Or the gaps up there, then I think that should be pretty good. Okay, that should be pretty good. Right, for guys who have just joined me, all right, just to let you know. Okay, I'm left with about 20 minutes. Okay, I'm left with 20 minutes of my live stream, which I will usually come in every day for 3 hours of live streaming. All right, to live stream with all of you here. Okay, we can here to come in here, discuss. Okay, and voice out what you're looking out for, and we can many of us will share the different opinions here. Okay, so that you can get a clearer picture. All right, we are building this community. So with not a signal provider. All right, we are here to become a community to trade together. All right, so yeah, hopefully that I'll be happy to see everyone will get a TP when using my plan, my trading plan here. Okay, then I'll be more than happy to see that. Okay, because I'm a trader as well, so we are going to get the trade together full time as well. Oh yeah, sitting. My job is to sit down here. Yeah, sit down here. Yeah, sit down here. Okay. I used to have a round bump until now it's become a flat bump. Okay, no, just joking, right? Okay, so yeah, and yeah, okay. So euro dollar buying, okay. Yes, usually what time are you on? 3 to 6? Yes, 3 to 6. Yeah, next time will be after 25th. I will be back on 25th. I'll be back on 25th. Yeah, right. Okay, yes, usually as for GMT +8, I will be going live on this, yeah, 3 to 6. Correct, that's right. And I have one more session at 1 Singapore time, okay, GMT +8, for analyzing currency pairs that I want to trade. I will pick them out, and after that 3 o'clock I will come in. For euro dollar to buy, yes, currently by looking for euro dollar, okay, I think the support has already reached. Okay, we have recovered this area here. So earlier on, when I pick out this, yeah, the selling of this euro dollar has already cleared. So it started to go back on the buy side. Already started going back on the buy side earlier on. So just now, okay, just now over here, when it actually comes in, the selling here, okay, where it's actually already took out the area that I planned, okay, and it started to move for the buy. So for now, okay, for now, we should be looking. Let me bring this down, okay. This area of resistance, okay, area of resistance. So for euro dollar, I guess not much space. We only have about 9 to 10 pips left to take. Okay, so not really very advisable. Okay, so but after that, we may be looking out for selling. After that, we may be looking out for another round of selling to take the support once again. Okay. This time round, the support is not here anymore. Sorry, let me remove this. Come out. And now, I'll be looking out for this support. Okay, this should be the support area, 1.07898. Okay, 1.07898. That's the price. Okay, so apart from that, we are very near to the resistance. Okay, so if you are still going for the buy, I think let's have a second thought. Okay, you can wait for it to reach this and see if there's a selling opportunity. If you are going to buy, okay, have a second thought first. Okay, if that's for me, all right, that's for me. If that's for me, okay, okay. So yeah, maybe similarly to pound dollar. Okay, similarly to pound dollar. So you can see that we have been chatting, talking about this from no structure until the structure coming in is showing the ranging structure. So it is still here. Right. If you are good at trading in this range here, wow, 15 pips. Wow, 15 pips up, 15 pips down. You can collect 15, 30, 45, 60. Okay. Oh, no. That's a joke, huh? But there are people who are good at doing it. Okay. And that person is Bradley. Our cowboy. Yeah, all right. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So yes. So but I don't do this kind of trading. Okay, I don't do this kind of trading for such a situation. So yeah, if you're looking at this point here, you can see, wow, it's so terrible. No way, no way. Yeah. Okay. Yes. What I always gotta wreck by this range cause I enter in the middle. Oh, I see. Okay. You can try doing this. Okay. First of all, identify the trend. If we are in the selling, let's say, okay, we are in the selling. Correct, we're in the selling. So if we are in generally, if you're in the selling, okay, you can do this. Wait for it to go above. Okay, tested the highs up there without breaking out. Yes, you can sell. You can try selling. Okay, but don't try to sell down all the way. Try to sell, take the number of pips from the top of the ranging, the middle of the ranging. Let's say the top to the bottom of this range is 20. So get the middle, 10. Okay. So if you can get from the top down, you enter. Okay, get a 5 because in the middle is 10. Okay, so get a 5. All right, get a 5. So get out of the trade. So wait for it to go down. Okay, and or maybe when it comes back again, then you know it's a selling trend. Okay, sell again. Okay, sell again. Okay, then you sell again to grab another half of it. Okay, to get another half of it. Right. So you can actually grab some from here. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. So yeah. Okay. This is the 5-minute chart. Yeah. 5-minute chart. Yes, you are right. Okay, yes, piano. Yeah. Okay. Right. Yes, Bradley. You can do the same for buying if you use the mid-range. Oh, I see. Okay, okay. Yeah. Yes. Bradley means, okay, Bradley means just now I suggest if the chart is, if a trend is selling, am I right? If the trend is selling, so if you can find the range, this is 20, you get the mid is 10. So the selling comes in, you can grab something depending on where did you enter, all the way to the mid range, right? Then after that, when it started to go down, for Bradley was saying buying, you can do the same buying. You can do a buy if it's not breaking out the range. You can do a buy to the mid range again. Okay. So it will I think importantly it depends where did you enter. Okay. Okay. So if this is 10, you have a range of 10, right? Sorry, the range of 20. The mid is 10. Okay, you can try selling the mid And when it comes into the range of the bottom, then after that you can go for the buy to the mid as well. Okay, so after that you wait for it to go up, it hits on the top and it's not breaking out, it comes down, then you sell to the mid again, and it comes down here. Okay, when it's not breaking down, you go for a buy, you buy to the mid again. Okay, sell mid, buy mid, that is what they call mid selling. Sorry, mid trading. Yeah. Okay, in the range. Okay, so yep. Usually when I enter, it moves up like a 4 to 6 bit, then retrace already. Oh, I see. Maybe I'm asking for too much. Maybe. Okay, it depends. It depends on the range of. It depends on the number of pips in this range. Yeah, so you can try. Okay. Yeah. So we'll see. Okay. And usually Bradley, you want to answer? Okay. Yeah. For me, yeah. So let's see for EJ. Let me take a look at EJ. Okay, EJ is going nice. Okay. Right. Same as you, sir. Oh, okay. Usually you take 5 pips for ranging or based on fields. No, not based on fields. Based on the range. How many pips is that range? If that range is let's say it's 50 pips. Okay, so that means the mid is 25. So you can grab the 25. Okay, then you can grab if no 25. Okay, then probably yep. Okay, so let's say the range here is 25, 50 pips. The mid is 25, and when it comes in, I will grab anything before it hits the mid, and I will get out of the trade. Then when it comes here, it doesn't break down. Then I will go for a buy before it hits the 25. I will get out of the trade. That's the. I think that's a very common strategy. For the ranging, yes. Yes, based on upper and lower key levels. Exactly. That is correct. Okay. Yeah. So based on this range, the number of pips there, then we will decide, okay, how many pips to take. Not necessarily just 5 pips. Okay, not necessary. Okay, so for Euro Yen, okay, well, nice. Still going. Okay. Well, we are left with about 9 minutes. So usually I have a plan. Am I right? Okay, for the New York session. Okay, let's plan for the New York session. Let's come to this session. Okay, we're going to plan for the New York session. Okay, so over at this point here, we are looking into this pound dollar first of all. Okay, pound dollar. No, sorry, not pound dollar. Dollar yen first. Okay, let's go to dollar yen. Well, dollar yen. Let me have a sip. Well, for the dollar yen, over at this part here, as we can see, for dollar yen, if dollar yen, the structure currently is still moving towards the bull on the buying side. So in this case, okay, but the thing is that over here we have a resistance. So I will say let's allow to break the resistance first, retest as a support to go for a buy signal. Then you can go for a buy for a 35 or 34 pips. Just now earlier on we were saying that 34, right? About 30 to 34 pips. Remember a discount of 25% off. So that means to say 30 less off 6, about 24, 22 pips there. Okay, so you can collect about 20 pips there. Okay, so for people who are on the long term one, you can go for 20. For scalper, 10 pips, no problem. Okay, after it break out of this area to set up a support. Right. So I think for dollar franc, same thing, no change. I'm still waiting for this to break down into this area, retest, then we go for a selling. All right, along the way, do a scalping because there are too many supports here. Merry Christmas. Okay, so do some scalping until this area here. We are going to have a clear traffic, and after that, we'll go for a selling. Right, so you should have about 16 to 20 pips. Okay, so in that for that we can be sure that we can put the profit zone by zone into the pocket. Okay, so that we will be able to grab it nicely. Okay, all right. So well, EJTP Aiden, congratulations, 恭喜恭喜，非常好。Okay, well done, well done. Okay, yep, all right. We shall take a look at the pound dollar. We have been talking about pound dollar, so you guys should know what to do with the pound dollar. Okay, so for pound yen, the structure has been building up for the buy. So we have a purple line here and waiting for the price to break. Right now it's setting up in the range here that just now we are talking about. It comes in as a higher support range. So this round is still building up this way. So let's see if this is going to break above. Okay, once it break above this area here, all right, this now it's breaking above. So buying is still possible by looking into this area of 35 pips, about 35 pips, right? But out of all this, I favor euro yen. I favor euro yen. Well, euro yen, because euro yen we have a gap here. It's a very clear signal for me to buy. Okay, it's a very clear signal for me to go for a buy to take out the highs for today. And now, addition to it as a bonus, the euro yen has already set up a structure for buying. So the buying is still ongoing. Whether it's fast or slow, it depends on the market right now. Okay, but I see that there will be a good chance for the euro yen to continue the buying. Okay, so it's still good. All right, it's still good for the buying. And let's do the same. One zone after one zone, it will set up for another lower, a higher lows. Then look out for buying signals. Then we'll go for a higher high. Okay, until a price of 139.148, and that will be the price of as a resistance after you break out of the gaps, where this is the price. Okay, where this is the price, going to break out of this area, take out the highs, and this shall be the area to be a resistance after taking out the highs. If this area is able to hold, I'm going to start selling down to an area about 78 pips. There are about 78 pips. So same thing, I'm a scalper. So I will go 510, 510, 510 all the way down to that 78 pips. Okay, so same thing. When the selling structure comes in, look out for retesting. Then we go for selling to create lower low and lower highs, lower low, lower high, lower low. Okay, so that will be a plan for euro yen. Okay, guys. So I think that should be quite clear. If you are not clear enough, if you don't understand from what I've said, okay, what I've said just now, yeah, after the live streaming, you can rewind back, okay, to the usually to the last 30 minutes or last 15 minutes of my live stream. I will start to plan out what are the currency that I'm going to focus in the New York session and what are the plans that I have for them. Okay, so hopefully the market moves according to my plans, and then we can grab the profit from there. Okay, for those who are new, okay, you can watch it first and back test, and let's see if the price will move according to what I've planned. Okay, right? So there's no hard and fast rule that you have to follow, and also as a disclaimer that my plan don't work 100% every time. Am I right? Okay, yeah, it don't work 100% every time. Well, so just as a suggestion to you, okay, right? So I would say that it is still okay. It is still up to you. Okay, you can let's take a look first before you actually put in any trade. Okay, by just watching my video for the first or two times. Okay, right. Okay, yeah. So that's for the euro yen, right? Okay, Alan. Yes, so far it works 90. Thank you very much. Thank you so much. have to, or else I will be making a loss as well. Okay. So yep. And if there isn't any entry, remember, please do not enter. Okay. If there's no entry, no enter. Okay. Don't just think that okay, the plan is almost there, and I just pump in the trade. Hope in hoping that it will work. Okay. So probably may not be. Okay. So pound dollar. Okay, enough of the ranging. Can you please get out of this range? H4 is going to open. I'm going to wait for H4. I love H4, as you guys know. All right, as always. Okay. I always love this H4 on the moon and back here. Whenever the H4 open, it's a new session for the trading. So we are going to see this H4. If this is going to close in the doji, I can tell you we are going to have hard time for the pound dollar. Okay, it's going to have a hard time for the pound dollar. So not for pound dollar, for us. Okay, so the next 4 hours we're expecting to see prices going to range around this area. All right, so from here to here about 35 pips. So it's going to be quite tough. Okay, it's going to be crazy. Right, so over at this point here, all right, so we can see that right now, as we can look at this pound dollar, it is actually still running on in the range. It's crazy. It's really crazy. Yeah. Okay. So I will say probably, and probably I will just go for. I'm waiting for it to break. That's it. Okay. Yes. EJTP. Alright. Congratulations. 3呢，恭喜恭喜，很好很好。Alright. Yeah. Enjoy Lunar celebration. Thank you, JJ. Thank you very much. Okay. Yes. Very young. A little bit more. Let's see. Let's check on the H4 before I go. Right. H4 is important. Okay. So I want to see how the H4 goes. Well, for the pound yen, well, H4 closed as a support over here. So it looks like the selling structure here temporarily is still going. Okay. Well, for EJ, let's take a look first. EJ, wow, the H4, once it opens, it pushes high. The one, let's see. 4, well, let's look at this. The support came in, and now the H4 open. Right there. Just started to push. Well, we are very near 139, 148. 139, 148. All right. Okay. So Bradley, your price is coming. Yeah. Okay. Well. 139, 149. 139. Correct. Yeah. Okay. Another 14 pips to go, and you will collect your TP. And then I will be starting to sell. I will be starting to look out for selling. Yeah. All right. That's good. That's good. Okay. Yes. And let's see if one. Okay. Right. So guys, I think more or less it should be about there already. Okay. So just take note of what I've said just now. So if you don't understand, rewind back later on and you can watch the video at the last part, last 15 minutes. Okay. Then you will have a better understanding how I plan it. Okay. So you can follow the plan later on and take a look how does it work on the New York session. Okay. Yep. That's all for me today, guys. Thank you so much. And this is a great session. We have experienced before like this. Whole day waiting, no trades. I didn't enter any trades, then never mind. You know, we've been through that, right? So we gain the experience to build our patience. So this is also a part of experience. Okay, so don't find it wasting time. Oh, so tired, so waste of time today. No, it is not. It is still an experience accumulation. Okay, yes. So yeah, for the Chinese, right. 新年快乐，祝你们心想事成。那么祝你们呢，大家呢天天开心，幸福满满。And then for the rest, okay, I wish you guys, right, all of you, with bountiful profits in the New York session later on, and more profits when I'm not around. Maybe I'm the jinx. Okay, I shall see you next week, guys. And thank you, Benny, for coming in. All right, thank you so much. Right, 谢谢 John, thank you. Okay, thank you so much, guys, and see you again. This is Heritage from ACS Learning Hub. See you next week. Happy New Year, everybody, and good luck in your trade.
老师，我想请问一下，就是在外汇交易里面呢，一般呢，你们是怎么做交易的？因为我每次在 YouTube 啊看到你们在做交易的时候呢，我看到那个图表很多线啊，很多那些什么所谓的蜡烛啊，跑上跑下啊，这样我看的有一点乱了，所以我不知道说应该要怎么去看它，那么我才会做得好。而且我在这个外汇市场里面已经看了蛮长的一段时间，不过呢，就是一直没有办法参透它里面的那个内容，它的精髓，所以我一直在想说，想要试试看，你知道吗？但是呢，我又在看的时候呢，我又用了这个模拟账户去做，就 OK。可是呢，我用实盘去做的时候又不 OK 哦。其实我真的不知道应该怎么做好。希望老师呢，你今天能为我解答一下好不好？这些都是我们这些小白的一个很大的问题呀。OK， OK， 好，你今天所问的这个问题哈，OK， 我们这么说吧。其实一般呢，你在看那个图表的时候呢，还没进入学习啊，去看的时候，当然什么都不会，对不对？老实说，就很像当年我学开车的时候啊。手挡啊，轮盘啊，我真的是不懂得怎么去配合起来，你知道吗？那个左脚右脚啊，你知道吗 ？OK，so 在外汇学习的过程里面呢，我们这些课程啊，就是会有教你啊怎么去看。那么呢，你去看这些图表，怎么去把它分出来 ？OK， 我们把整个课程呢都分了很多个阶段，就是把每一个阶段呢。简单化的去理解，这样的话呢，你做起来的时候，其实你真的是容易很多。因为我们这样看的话呢，其实啊，在这个市场里面呢，很多人都是会交易的策略，可是呢，很多时候呢，他们都不知道说什么时候应该用，在什么阶段要用哪一个策略。所以呢，在外汇交易里面呢，我的课程呢里面呢，就是这样的去帮你们小白们呢。从最基本啊，点数计算啊，看图表啊，那么去理解整个外汇市场的交易的策略。那么它的策略，对，策略是策略，那么基本是基本嘛，对不对？那么呢，基础我们一定要会，那么呢，策略我们也要会。懂得策略不代表说你就会交易，可是你一定要懂得怎么运用那个策略。所以在什么阶段运用那个策略，也是一个很重要的一点。所以在这样一个方式里面呢，我们这一看的话就知道说，我们在做这样的一个交易的方式来说，我们就懂得说它是怎么样去运作。策略我懂了，不过呢，在什么时候用也是一个很重要的一点。所以呢，就是在这个课程里面呢，我们就会教你怎么去运用这个策略。好了，那么我有一个汇通汇聊的一个群，好吧？那个汇通汇聊的群里面呢。大家都可以加入，因为这个进来的话呢，我就可以教你们怎么去看那个策略，同时啊，那么知道说在什么时候要用那个策略，那么的话呢，你交易起来的时候就会很容易。当然，我会把你当成一个幼稚园的小白，好不好？那么呢，就以很基础的方式呢去教你们，以最简单的方式让你们去理解。好，那么这样的话。你们交易起来的时候啊，就比较容易了。所以现在的话呢，其实可以加入这个群 ，OK？ 那么呢，我呢在这个群里面的话呢，是在里面教你们怎么去带着你们怎么去看着你们怎么去把这个外汇交易做好来啊，这样的话就比较容易，对不对 OK 所以呢要加入这个群的话呢，这非常简单的 OK， 就只需要联系我们的负责人，那么呢我们的负责人就会帮你处理所有的这个入群的这些 procedure OK 好不好 OK， 那么在外汇交易里面呢，心态也是一个很重要的东西。那么呢，在我们的这个社区里面啊，我们也是会有很多的这个分享给大家，让大家呢都有这个机会啊，去在这个学习的过程里面也懂得什么是心态，好不好 ？OK 这样呀，就是很简单的这样的去理解哈。所以加入这个群然后呢，在这个群里面我们来教你。OK， 好不好？好的，老师，谢谢你，老师，非常感谢你的分享这样的话，我要赶紧去报名我要去赶紧报名加入这个群里面。你刚才说的群是汇通会聊群吧 ？OK， 那么我就赶紧去这个注册一下，好不好？谢谢老师，谢谢你，老师，非常感谢你，老师。